Sports Radio 66. WFAN.
Good afternoon, everybody. This is the Pope, Mikey F., better known as Mike Francesa, making a triumphant return to the radio because there's been a lot of things going on in NBA. Trade deadlines have been superfluous, to say the least. Personally, I don't really follow the NBA too much. There's a lot of laziness in league. I think it might be genetic over there. There's a lot of guys over there that are, black. So, that's what happens. Isaiah Thomas got traded to the fucking some team there, and they don't want him. He's a baby. He's the size of an infant. I'm pretty sure that my jowls are bigger than him. Steve, can you pass me another Diet Coke, please? I need some aspartame in my body. I'm feeling weak. Listen, pals, this is the Bodega Boys, episode 99. I'm the Pope, I need no introduction. You can catch me at Stu Leonard's, browsing the Pinot Grigio. I'm out here in these streets. Listen, guys, it's an important thing for you to remember. The Gabagool at Joe's on 187th is the finest you'll ever have. And let me tell you something else about the Giants. I saw that fucking promo commercial with Odell Beckham, who is a me guy. He's a me guy. He's a diva. And Eli, who is a team player. And I was very disappointed that these two got together to do something so ridiculous. It was a gutless move. It was a gutless move. It was a coward move. You never hold another man by his waist and lift him up in the air and look into his eyes lovingly. That's not something you do if you're a man of my stature. Have you ever seen me hold the mad dog in the air and look into his eyes like I want to fuck his butt? Never in your life have you ever experienced something like that. I'm disgusted. I'm appalled. And you guys are garbage. Back after this. Bodega Boys, episode 99. Take it easy, pals, all right? I'm off this. Suck my dick from the rear. Enjoy your lives. You piece of garbage. Catch me at every Yankee game thinking I can manage. Holla, episode 99. Do the fucking drop.
Live from Red Bull Studios, New York.
That was the darkest, my friend. Was that, when they have the Spider-Man, and then they have Venom?
That's Venom,
Mike Francesa. Wow. That was dark.
He's like, problematic as possible.
That's dark. He was right about Odell. You can't be holding another man. Imagine us in 10 years when we making that commercial.
I'm like, listen, man, what's the check looking like?
They're going to be like, it'd be more funny if, Desus called Mero. I'm like, nah, nigga. Nah.
He's like, I got a bad back.
I got sciatica. I'm sick. Yo, it's episode 99.
Yeah.
All hail, all right. You know who is number 99?
Yeah,
Aaron fucking Judge. You know what it is?
Yeah, the judge.
It's Judgment Day.
Uh-huh.
Listen, I'm judge, jury, and executioner. Bing, bang, boom. Get him out of here. Throw him to Rikers Island.
That's
and you're
right,
not
pal.
swimming home. You're not swimming home.
You're not the fucking shark from Mars Park. Let me tell you something. They got Judge. They got Stanton.
Ooh.
They got Sanchez.
Ooh.
That's the murderer's row, pal.
Ooh.
You better get ready for fucking 800 home runs this season, goddammit. 9,000 RBIs.
Oh, whoa, slow down. I'm gonna take the LIRR home with the wild chubby and fuck my ugly wife. Oh, yeah.
I don't want to do that. Oh, well, maybe I will. I listen to the little Billy Joel and got a little skied up.
I tell her to bend over and I think I'm just banging Joe Girardi from the back. Yo, it's your boys. As always.
Damn.
We're not coming to you from Red Bull Studio. We're coming from our other sister satellite. We got Pro Media. We got satellite station. We got backup for backups, nigga. You know what I'm saying? Y'all little podcast at Hurricane Sandy come and wash the shit out. Nope.
Nah, nigga.
This is the only thing. The way they have that, there's a vault in case everything in humanity dies in Antarctica, and all it is every seed in the world stored there. That's the art.
That's it.
Even if we die, somehow
gonna exist.
Victor has pre-recorded episodes that he's gonna keep going, make using virtual reality for at least 5 years. You're gonna get the art long after we perish.
Yo,
we're like the Mars rover.
You know what I mean?
Yo, it's your boy Desus Nice, aka Desus Right, aka Young Chipotle, aka Pocket Say Fat Like Terrier,
Oh my
aka
God.
Chris Tadpole Sling Dick, Eli Libet Lee, Butcher's Bully Gully. Gotta lick my lips right. like LL, Future the Funk. Some of that might know you, but Young Day Party, Young Hot Take, DJ Fuego, Mr. Nazu around the middle of the going over here. Yeah. Mikhail going off the Juve boss, MC Little Gunga P, put up for 40 with your shorty, aka don't talk to me in the Uber pool.
Cause I don't know you at all.
Don't make new friends, you already know enough people. The original My Plus One Guy Plus was Don't Make a Fuss, Adidas Rossi, the Jamaican Jew, Jermaine Avocado Toast, Young Pa, the Ghost of Mufasa, Young Cha Coonery without the Coonery, aka Chili Limon, left-handed reliever for the Yankees, Gale Gay, Vice K Mazuzaka, 3 Phone Jones, Jesus Machina, J Chuck, Stanley Cup, the Human Dr. Bonner, Stable, Leonardo DiCaprio, Mr. 240p, because I like my Pinot Blur. A DJ Woolite, aka listening to Washed FM. Up next, we got 4 hours of Incubus. I wish you were here. The Curry Goat, DJ Spicer, Jamal Hashburn, the Bronx, Celine Dion, Ray Nephew's nephew, the Marino You Can't Contain, or the Human Memory, word the job. Young Aaron, racist provocateur, Henrik Bud calls Nelson Mandela, Sergio Can't See Me, Vladimir Buffin, the Human Mellow is melting in your mouth, Mr. Beck on deck, Ricky Tiki Squabby, Greg Popovich, more say with your chestnut, Mahatma Gandhi, not Maccabee, but I got that cucumber. The head is tick. The juices are pressed, but your boy never is. I am the art, damn it. The Dundada Ganoush, no more cup of noodles. The Prince of Peckham, the Fashion Nova, Casanova. William 8 cents, 5 cents, 10 cents, dollar. Forget the small change.
Give me big money wine.
Give me big money wine. Or the big woman come on stage. Let me lift you up like the energy god. Yeah. Nothing but mom peas. The only anthem I salute is Dipset. Mr. Saga catching that square one. Top left man's a Triz. Whoa. This was God's plan. Triz Rodugo. Holy cow. Mr. Saw Palms, because all I do is count checks and jerk off. Yeah, that's true. That's a mood. We got OJ, purple stuff, soda. What's this behind the milk? Oh, it's me, Sunny Day. Hey, David. Yeah, mint. These expensive. These is red bottom. These is red blue. These is bloody shells. Smokeem Noah. Wow, I'm still on the Knicks. How?
Wow, you win a suit every game. I don't understand.
I'm the new Allen Houston. Mr. Shopping at Street Easy with a bad breeze like I'm easy. Please believe me. The black age addict will crack your back like automatic craftmatic. Mr. La Marina, Mesh Marina, or a fresh marina, a cold demeanor, aka your problematic bae. Sell your kids' kidneys and set up a credit card for them when they're 2. Mwah.
Yeah, that's right, you ball bags. Yo, this is episode 99. It's a very special episode because we're one episode away from 100.
100.
The Centennial. It's your boy, the Mero, a.k.a. the Human Do-Rag Flap, a.k.a. Curve Gotti, a.k.a. Triz Khalifa. You know what I'm saying? A.k.a. Skirt Loader Hop the Curb, a.k.a. I don't fucking baby, I fucking man, a.k.a. Donovan McDab, nigga, a.k.a. check the guest list again, nigga. I'm right on it, right next to Lil Pump, nigga. And he's just in there on Wild Zans talking about, ooh. You know what I'm saying? Don't you need somebody of substance in there like me? Ooh. You know what I'm saying? I'm not stepping to the fucking side while you check, nigga. I don't give a fuck. I re-gift all the promotional shit I received to my kids because I'm the fucking dad of the year. You know what I'm saying? A.k.a. Bitch Smack Me Elbow, a.k.a. Dick I made my tumble. You don't come with this pussy no more. My nigga, this pussy belong to me. And only me, motherfucker.
Wow.
A.k.a. Paulo Santana, so smooth. Dominican Dada, a.k.a. Light Nail Dutchie. Hello? Is it weed you're looking for? I can see it in your eyes that you're broke ass in your eyes. So get the fuck out of here, bro. Like, nigga, we buying like quarters and better now. Like, we're not even buying tubs.
No,
you know what I'm saying?
Boys.
Bro boy shit. A.k.a. Tom Brady ago got my balls deflated like my spirit after that tremendous L I took in the Super Bowl. God damn. I can't believe I lost to the Eagles. Bill, come kiss me in my mouth. A.k.a. feel the ass taste and I want to feel your cosmos mind and explore them. Gee, Milky Way, you feel me? Bust it open. A.k.a. Frino Messi, MVP of Gelato. A.k.a. Zanio Bettyfield. I gotta get some sticks. I gotta get some sticks. A.k.a. Joe Hookah, the king of Dagman. I dare you to smoke with me at Mama Sushi. You don't know me. A.k.a. Ben Parson. With the precision of a Swiss wristwatch, I'll replace your left ventricle with the Kool-Aid man. Now your heart pumps Kool-Aid. You sweet. Candy, pass me the ratchet. I'm about to air these niggas out. You know what I'm saying? A.k.a. I'll open your medicine cabinet, nigga. You know who it is, man. It's the motherfucking Zen, man. It's got a.k.a. Rico Sabroso, a.k.a. Baby Newport 245, a.k.a. Nino Brown, shut the corner down. A.k.a. East Chima Stevie B. I'm at the Freestyle Festival every motherfucking year. Dando pena. I wanna be the one your DD is sucking. A.k.a. the from across the pond, mate. Straight from the UK. You know what I'm saying? The pound is very strong. It's the plantain sipping over in the sky. Someday you will find me smoking weed on Tremont.
Yeah.
Selling tray bags of dirt because the TV shit didn't work out.
I love that fucking song.
Yeah, I love it.
that fucking song.
Pull it up for 40. You know who it is. Barmelo's Anthony. Bang! Dog, if you see me in Target, bruh, and I'm smacked and I'm just like opening diaper boxes and putting DVDs in them, nigga, don't snitch, bruh. Mind your fucking business.
That's the guy from Vice.
Yo, don't worry. No. It's not me. Approach me like a fucking Earthside Mammal, nigga, I may react erratically. Yo, I sold fucking fake lean to your favorite SoundCloud rapper, nigga. Right now, he's very, very, very high off Aunt Mama syrup and fabuloso. Talk about, woo. Yo, Hasan, tírame la pita, coño. Llegó el hijo de FIFA, coño, el fucking matatán, respeta, buen cagador de maleta. Aquí no se hace bulto, aquí se hace clásico, mamagüevo. Ponte pa' lo tuyo, que yo estoy pa' lo mío. Shoutout el tour de Nueva York. Estamos bajando heavy, así que si tú no tienes cuarto, quédate acotado, mamagüevo. Brooklyn, Queens, the Bronx, Staten Island, Manhattan. We're doing the whole fucking 5 boroughs, my nigga. So get ready, motherfucker, because the hookahs is gonna be lit. I'm gonna throw P off stage. He's gonna stage at Tekashi 69. Holla.
Wow. If I was in line in Chipotle, like right after that, I'd be like, what's the mildest sauce you have? Because whatever that he just ordered, I definitely cannot handle.
I can't handle that.
I had my EpiPen out like, whoa.
Oh, my God.
I'm on the ways. They're like, next stop, Flavor Town.
Flavor Town.
Episode 99.
Yeah, you fucking piece of garbage.
Why are you so aggressive?
It's love. It's tough love.
Is it tough love?
Yeah. I told my kids to do push-ups every morning. It's tough love.
You don't.
I do.
You don't.
I
You
do.
be making them niggas flapjacks.
I really
see your
do.
kids' arms. They don't got jail arms. None of your kids got the little. You slipping as a father. None of your kids got the homemade tattoos and shit.
They do.
Nah, I never see.
They got the fucking like the shits that you put a sponge on, like.
I see your daughter. She had the face tattoo. It was like every sinner has a past, every saint has a future. I was like, I fuck with you.
I fuck with you. She got the cutthroat on the other eyebrow.
She was like, why's Trump going so hard on MS-13? I was like, relax,
man, chill.
Put that machete.
Got the shit tatted on her skull. And
Put that machete down, yo.
He's like, nah, motherfucker.
Wow.
Chopping niggas
with my Infamil. We gotta make who is it that has the baby stuff and they make it
Jessica Alba.
We gotta make a bodega line. Bodega babies, yes. But it's a line for the guys and the girls. Like when you find out shorty's pregnant, you get the fucking Burberry shirt.
Yeah,
you know what I'm saying?
It's a whole kit.
She get the 2 balloons for like the extra fancy Instagram announcement shit. It comes with 3 pairs of Timbs, so you could do the stylized Instagram announcement. His Timbs, her Timbs.
Beautiful.
The baby Timbs, boom, we're pregnant. Yo, dead ass.
Holla.
We pregnant.
And for $10 extra, we're throwing that wicker chair, nigga, for the baby shower.
You gotta return it though. That's a $50 deposit. We need that wicker chair back. All right, for $100 extra for the dude, you don't gotta pay. You gotta sit there when they make that stupid hat using the bows.
Oh yeah,
on the paper plate for
you
her.
To skip that.
Yeah, she got the mad fucking acid reflux from the baby because the baby got mad hair and shit, but she's just sitting there burping like, this is cute.
Like damn, did somebody die?
Get me another plate of ziti.
No, I'm just verping. Sorry.
Oh shit, that's right. Get your baby package here.
Get your baby packages. We got all kind of packages.
Oof.
I remember when niggas used to call a bag of coke a package.
You say you remember when? That's today.
That's right now.
That has never changed.
Hey, I got a couple packages, bro. Bing, bing, bing. You know what I'm saying? We get nice.
Lighten up. Lighten Dutchie. Yeah, I mean, coke is a weird thing because there's some people we saw that girl. She was on an illustrious show, Desus and Mero. You know what it is? Vice and 4 nights a week.
You know what I mean?
That girl doing the coke at the football thing. Well, I can't think of many sports that get better with coke, though.
I mean,
we've been with people. We've been with people who's gone off the nose booger candy at sports. You know, I'm not gonna make it hot for you.
Yeah. No,
I'm not Quincy Jones, motherfucker.
We're not gonna blow you up, G.
Okay.
Oh!
All right. If you want to do a line of coke and get your dick sucked next to me, hey,
that's cool.
That goes to the grave with me.
You can go. Listen,
I was just thinking about that. I was like, damn, Victor could be the Quincy Jones.
Yo,
Victor knows where all the bodies are buried. Victor knows all the dirt.
He's like, we talking in public?
He's like, yo, I ever told you the time it was Mero, Halsey, G-Eazy, and Desus?
Remember that?
With the goat? Them motherfuckers is wild. You like sriracha?
That goat likes sriracha. In his butt.
That's wild. You know, Blue Ivy got shooters. I'm like, what? He's like, yeah, you got curry goat? I don't like curry or goat, but I'll offer both of them to you. I'm like, what? Quincy Jones, what exactly are you talking about?
Yo.
Quincy Jones is just saying hot shit.
Yo, he don't care.
But
I respect it because he's 84.
He don't give a shit.
Bro, when my grandma was like 85, 80, 90, she'd be like, yo, shut the fuck up. You trash.
Yeah.
She'd tell that shit to like my pops and shit, like my aunts, like, yo, you niggas are garbage. You disappointed me in life.
Shout out to my grandma, Auntess Recipes, who used to flame my father constantly. Like, that was the one person that kept him in check. Like, he would say something, she was like, fuck out of here. Like, I was like, all right. And her other thing was, you should never hold a fart in because it will cause some sort of rupture. Or she had to go.
That's true.
She fart right there, like just like.
Yo,
I was
fuck
like,
you.
yeah, go get him, grandma.
Get him, grandma.
Get him, grandma.
My grandma don't give a fuck, bro. She used to take her dentures out and shit, get undressed in front of niggas. I'm like, yo, ma, you're 90.
Listen,
Like,
you get to be 90. Yeah, it's a Kanye song. Niggas can't tell you nothing. You done seen it all. Seen it all. Been there. I've been there. I was young before you was.
Been through it all.
That's the most humbling statement someone could say. Like, I was young before you was. You was like, damn, you
bro.
right.
You right,
But
B.
you know what? You wasn't living like this, nigga.
Niggas was living la vida loca, B.
You know what I'm saying? You was living the look at it. Niggas got rid of fucking Big's album, you know what I'm saying? Bing bang bang, you know what I'm saying? Brought that. I want niggas looking like me on no album.
I don't want niggas sounding like us. Oh, no motherfucking podcast. You understand me?
That was for
fucking
those
shark
of you,
biters.
That was actually for the Nas album. But yeah, that was the Raekwon beef. That was almost 20 years ago. Damn,
bro.
Damn, niggas is washed.
Wow.
We got to get a ad campaign with Poland. With what's it called? Irish Spring.
Irish Spring,
And we come
yeah.
out the shower, be like, niggas is washed.
Niggas is washed.
Niggas is washed. Like a leprechaun, like, da-da-ding. Niggas is washed, but squeaky clean.
Yo, because the old commercials are mad corny. It was like an Irish ginger shorty, like sitting at a riverside.
You're not fully
like,
clean until you're... No, that's Zest. That's fully
yeah.
clean. What was Irish Spring's thing?
They were just at a riverside, like washing clothes with an
Yeah,
Irish
it looked like they was
Spring
about to like fuck Irishly and shit.
like,
Like,
bro,
niggas,
what is
they gonna
this?
put the wild shamrock in her pussy. Like,
bar. What is
yeah.
this? Like, nigga, this
Yeah.
shit, get this shit out of here, bro. Shit, like,
Bust that open so I can wash it and eat it.
fuck out of here with your IRA shit.
Your
nigga.
vagina tastes like beer. They call her Jane IPA. Like, what? You're like, what?
Hey, yo.
Hey, yo, I'm DMX for Irish Spring.
Yo, I'm cracked out, nigga, but I'm clean.
Clean yourself by the river.
Wash your face first, then your ass, nigga.
You can smell like Dublin. He's like, what? They're like, thank you. We got that all in one take, DMX. Can you pay
Yes.
me in crack?
Yo.
Pay me an Irish crack. Irish crack is green.
Irish crack is green. It's green. They put green food coloring in it.
You can only smoke Irish crack in the middle of Stonehenge. Stonehenge is like a safe space for smoking crack.
Irish crack is called the Blarney Stone.
Yeah. Yo, you got two of them Blarney Stones, my nigga?
Blarney Stones, my nigga?
Let me
I need
get...
Yo.
God, I feel a little sick.
Yo, I'm out here, bro. I came all the way from Staten Island to get some of these Blarney Stones, bro.
Oh my God, Patrick Anthony.
Yo.
Patrick Anthony, what are you doing in the bathroom?
Blimey, I'm trying to get right out of here. I'm fucking sick.
Patrick Anthony, you know you're supposed to work at the
I'm
the
bloody.
bar.
I'm bloody sick, you fucking fanny.
Psycho Patrick Anthony coming to BBC.
Yeah, niggas like Downton Abbey and shit. Like, my lord, I need some more krillsies. I need a hot bag of dog food, sir.
Oh shit. Oh shit.
Yo.
Patrick Anthony's just copping for the Grind Boys. Hey, you making it hot, mate? In it? In it? Keep moving, mate.
Don't bring the work to the studio, mate.
Hey, is that your mom's?
Tim was like, my God, this nigga brought krills to the studio. Drop the bomb. My God.
In it? Who that old bird? That's your mom's?
That's your mom.
That's your mom's, in it?
She's proper fit, innit?
She's proper fit, I rank her.
Yeah.
Oh.
Shout out to the UK.
Shout out to the UK. That's next.
stop.
That's next.
yeah,
Listen, we got shout out to
what I'm
Desus
saying?
Mero,
Hey.
DoNYC.com. We will tell you the
Sure.
cop tickets. But by the time this podcast drops, that shit's is sold out,
Really gonna be gone,
nigga.
nigga.
Maybe if we're benevolent, maybe we might dig deep and beg the venue to
Yeah.
open up the seats. They were like, nah, if you sell these seats, it's a fire hazard. We're like, fuck that. Niggas
nigga.
is ready to die for the
We a
hive.
fire hazard, niggas. We coming flaming the stage.
What do you rather see Desus Mero, or you rather see a clear path to a fire exit?
Come on, keep it real.
Okay.
You know what I'm saying?
That die for the hop shit for real, nigga.
That shit is real, nigga.
Matter of fact, we blocking all the fire exits at
Word
all
up.
the show.
Make
all
a
right?
happy land in this bitch.
Wow.
Triangle Happy Waste Factory, nigga.
Wow. You gotta update the. Wow.
I'm trying to melt Happy Land and Triangle Shore Waste because mad people died of fatal burns.
Wow.
That's hilarious.
Wow. You gotta update your references of mass murder. From
Mass
now on,
murders?
you gotta reference the Station nightclub fire
Station
in
nightclub.
23
All right,
in
cool.
Rhode Island.
Okay.
100 died,
100 died?
230 injured because they did pyrotechnics in the back of the stage.
Why?
And no one realized that it wasn't part of the show because the shit just caught on fire. And by the time niggas caught on fire, people
By
died.
the time they caught on, they had caught on fire.
Damn. Damn, nigga.
Ruthless.
Nonstop.
You know what you get when you get this fucking podcast, bro?
See, but that's like
10 inches
your
of foreskin.
That's like your girl catches you cheating. You can't be like, you knew what it was.
You know what it was when you signed
You knew
it.
what it was. What do you want? I'm Dominican. I'm Jamaican. You know about the secret family.
Yo, it's genetic. Come
You
on.
know what? Also, a lot of y'all women out there talking about, I got secret families and secret family. At least a nigga take the time to keep that family secret
You know what I'm
rather than
saying?
just have it all up in your face,
Right?
disrespecting you.
tagging niggas in photos and
Okay,
shit. You
to
know
make
what I
you
mean?
look weird on Instagram, like I love both my families,
Yo.
and then you gotta like zoom in to get all the kids in there. You
Fuck
don't want
outta
that.
here.
I write a lot to you because I care about you,
Come
Mom.
on.
You know what I'm saying? What happens in Mississauga don't got nothing
It
to do with
stays
right
there.
now.
You know what I mean?
Right?
Don't take me back to square one.
Nah,
Literally and figuratively.
man's just ignoring his family. Them.
You know what I'm saying? Yo. Oh, God. Damn, bro.
Also, there's footage of the station nightclub fire.
Oh, there's like video footage?
You shouldn't watch it.
That means that we're going to watch it.
Yo, we're not gonna watch it right now, but yeah.
Oh, God.
Ignition of acoustic foam by use of fireworks.
Wow.
Which is funny because when Kanye wanted to perform at Essence Fest, he wanted like fireworks in the back, and they was like, nah,
you're wildin'.
And Kanye was like, I'm Kanye.
I'm Kanye, nigga.
And they was like, fine, how much fireworks you want to need, nigga?
He's like, yo, I need a nuclear fucking fire. Like,
I need a small limited nuclear detonation.
I need Pennsylvania level fireworks.
Ooh. It's worth it though. If Kanye asks for something, you gotta give it to him.
You gotta give it to him. Give it to him. Like, come on, he's liable to do some groundbreaking shit or light himself on fire, which would also be groundbreaking.
I'd be like, this is genius. I've never seen this before.
Oh my
What is
God!
this?
Oh, third-degree burns. I've never seen an artist suffer so much for his art.
That's the new trend. Like we're all wearing third-degree burns. And people are like, is that Yeezy season? I'm like, no, actually, it's a skin graft.
Skin graft season.
I seriously burned myself.
Yeah, this came from some dead lady named
I
Helena
have to go
Rubinstein.
to the hyperbaric chamber now.
They do skin grafts from your own skin or for dead people?
Both.
Yeah.
They could do that. They can grow synthetic skin.
Oh, wow.
But if they're from your own skin, that's very painful. Like they gotta take it from your thighs and shit.
Damn.
Unless you got the yeeks.
Yeah.
But then that's weird because like they take the skin from the yeeks and then it don't look right and niggas.
Yeeks
then
are
it looks
mad
like
tight?
you ever see like a Toyota Camry and it has like it's like a black car but then the door is red because that was the only door they could get from the jump.
Yeah, you're like,
You
it
want
should don't
that.
look right.
You want that unless you're in the Bronx. That's normal.
If you tighten your cheeks too much, nigga, you liable to like bust some shits open when you're taking a dump or some shit, bro. If
Well,
you-
no, because then they just get really tight and then your shit comes out like a Pop-Tart.
shit comes out like a frosting fucking tube. And
Just comes out like it's like a fax machine. Like
oh, it's in the shape of a star.
you want that?
Just like a Play-Doh kit.
Yeah, you want that.
Yeah, what shape you want you to do to it, nigga?
Yeah.
Smiley face?
Play-Doh, and it's just coming out mad slow. Like, yeah. Isn't Play-Doh OD expensive?
It's not. Actually.
It's just it dries up really
It
fast.
dries up really fast, so they made it not expensive. I've gone through like probably 20 metric tons of Play-Doh because my kids don't give a fuck about nothing, and they don't respect their belongings. So niggas would take out the Play-Doh, play with it, and then just let it sit there until the shit gets rock hard. I'm like, my man, you got to put the shit back in the can and then put it away. And they're like, I don't give a fuck, nigga.
Damn, we never had Play-Doh. Like my parents were like,
Yeah,
no,
the
just
bootleg
go
shit?
play. No, we never had that. There was just go play, yo.
Go play, yo.
in the fucking living room. I was like,
I used to steal that shit from my kindergarten class. Sorry, Miss Cherico.
we didn't. Oh, you went to a good school. We didn't have Play-Doh money at my school. Nigga,
Niggas have Play-Doh and that's it.
our books ended like one day man will go to the moon. Get excited. I was like, when was this shit written?
Yeah.
They showed mad. There was like, oh, cotton sales are up because plantations are booming. I was like,
wow.
man, we can't. This book was literally published by the KKK. We can't use this as a textbook. And they're like, nah, this is federally mandated.
No, this has the Confederate flag on the cover. Be like,
I was like, yo, chapter 5 was called Abraham Lincoln, greatest president or traitor to his race. I was like, also, it's called global studies. Like, why we just doing shit about America?
Why are we focusing on this?
She was like, shut up and read this about Pearl Harbor that you'll never use in the future.
I don't remember anything about global studies except fucking Bismarck. Otto von Bismarck.
Yeah.
That's it. I don't even know what that nigga did. I just know he had a stupid ass name.
He made that song. You got what I need.
Oh, that's right.
Yeah.
You say he's just a friend. Niggas gonna take over Poland.
You baby, you. Coming to stage 2, Desus and Mero do rap history. If y'all niggas like Hamilton, whoa,
get ready.
Whoa.
We're coming.
They blew off his head now. They blew off his head now. Blew off his head now. They blew off his head now. Abraham to Lincoln, watching plays and stinking. Do you guys even know what day Pearl Harbor is?
December.
Yeah, I know.
Do you remember?
When we blew up.
The 7th day in December. It's Friday, December 7th.
Oh, okay.
They didn't make that a holiday or nothing.
No, nothing. They don't
Imagine like that's gonna be 9/11 one day. The day people gonna be like, yo, do you remember what day 9/11 was?
Yeah.
We were like, it was 9/11.
Like, that's why it's called 9/11. Like,
yo.
come on.
And then
Also,
somebody
Ghetto Fabulous came out that same day.
did they do a movie about 9/11 yet?
They did mad movies about 9/11. The Passenger in '93 was that one?
No, they haven't made one. They gotta make. But no, I don't mean a
Oh, the
realistic.
Nicolas Cage shit?
Yeah, no, I'm not talking about a realistic movie about 9/11. I'm talking about like some Jumanji, Kevin Hart, whimsical shit. Like, whoa! Adam Sandler?
He's like the guy who goes insane because his family died in 9/11. Look that shit up. And then Don Cheadle has to take care of him.
Oh, but that's not whimsical. That's sad. I'm talking about like this guy just keeps making blunders around the office and like he's like making copies and then he drops them on the floor. Then he looks up and he sees the plane. He's like, whoa!
Oh, gotta get out of here.
They're like, coming to school. It's whack. It was a Wednesday like no other. And everyone's like upset about it, but it still makes $230 million opening weekend.
Kevin Hart's like, I'm too little to jump out the window.
Oh my God! I'm little. The plane's not gonna hit me. Little shit like that.
Nigga uses a pair of briefs as a fucking parachute.
To come down like, I'm coming down. Kevin Hart in Twin Towers.
Oh no! He wasn't ready.
In the poster, the Twin Towers are actually breasts. They're like, we're trying to. It's like an '80s comedy. We're just bringing back the feeling of that.
Yeah. Then The Rock catches him when he lands and shit. He's like, I got you, little
At first, everyone's outraged. Twitter has like a hashtag about it. They're like, no Twin Towers. It's outrage. Trump is like, no, you can't allow this movie to come out.
So, it's disrespectful to New York. Even though, after 9/11, I had the tallest buildings in the city.
True.
Me.
It's true.
It's your boy.
Who do they get in the movie that everyone loves and everyone's like, oh, that's great? Like now, who is like the perfect person right now that if you put them in anything, everyone's like, that's fantastic?
The dude, Chadwick Boseman.
Yeah.
Chadwick Boseman can't lose, bro.
Can't lose.
Can't lose.
Can't lose. Chadwick Boseman, he's a security guard. He's like, yo.
Saves mad people and shit. Yeah, he's mad heroic and shit. Like Chadwick Boseman
he's
saves
like,
mad people.
y'all need to get out.
Yo. For real.
Let's go.
Nigga flashes a flashlight. He's like, I ain't got no gun, but I got this flashlight.
Yeah,
let's go.
Like, I loved his character in that.
Oh my God, he's so deep.
Okay, we gotta work on that.
Maybe we should stop saying shit like this because niggas keep stealing our ideas.
No, I got a better idea. Here's what we got to do. Just keep putting ideas out there.
Yeah.
Eventually, someone's going to steal one of the ideas and be super successful, and that's where we come in with the lawsuit because we have the podcast as proof that we said it and you stole it from there. So do all your work because we're going to Steely Dan, your little Peter Gunn and Lord Tyreek idea.
Go ahead. Deja vu. Deja vu is going to be like me getting paid for this shit again.
Uptown, baby. Uptown. I can't wait to be in court and they're going to be like, what's your defense? I'll just press play. But dance on top of the court like Jeezy. Yeah. I'd be like, yeah, that was my idea. American Dolls, that was my idea. Sex Dolls, that was my idea.
That was my idea.
28 Rings, me and Mero came up with that.
That's right, B.
Also, please visit the Yankee Twitter account. They're trying to find out what players they should have in their spring training commercial.
Yeah, we should just circumvent the whole thing.
No, forget that. Just tweet. Just vote for us. Fuck that. We're more popping.
Yeah, we players. We're players.
I've been here. I've been playing in the Bronx for a minute now.
Can't change a player game.
You know what I'm saying? We're real Yankee fans. I still got a Jabba Rules shirt, and I don't use it when I take out the garbage. I actually care about it.
Let's be real, B. I got a Mariano Duncan jersey.
I have a Mike Mussina jersey shirt. He doesn't even have that. The man does crossword puzzles and collects tractors. Also, another shout out to River Ave Blues who reciprocated our shout out. Shout out to all the people that saw it and was like, "Oh, get these clowns out of here!" Why does everyone call us clowns? Is that the most hurtful word white people can come up with on Twitter?
Guess. I'm like,
clown.
I call my kids clowns. Like,
that's not clown. It's like, no.
It's very...
Clown is not... You know how many girls would be like, you clown? I was like, oh, we had the clown. Well, guess who bought tickets to the circus, Mom?
Oh, yeah.
Enjoy your peanuts.
Motherfucker.
All right? You want to paint faces?
Yeah, you wasn't laughing when I was blowing that back out.
Guess what? Now we both Ringling brothers, okay?
Yeah, bitch.
If I'm clown, you Dumbo.
Go ahead, open your mouth. I'm about to spray you with this salsa.
As I'm skeeting, like,
Put a flower on the tip of my dick and just squeeze it. Hold that.
Nasty.
Yeah. Disgusting. But we're sex positive.
We're always sex positive. You know what I'm saying? We also shout out to us for having 4 women on the show this week.
That's right.
And not making like a big promotional thing about it.
Oh, we have women.
Oh, it's Women Week.
Nah.
We just treat women like average people.
That's right.
Did you know 1 out of every 2 people is a woman?
That's right. That's wild.
Mm-hmm. Learn something.
Learn something. 50% of the world is women. I don't know
Probably.
if it's accurate, but
sounds about right.
It sounds right.
I mean, you do the math, yeah.
And Victor's like, yo, my curls are too luxurious to check facts. Nigga, fuck y'all.
Fuck facts.
He's like, nigga, I gotta put new Nikes every motherfucking day, nigga.
I love it.
And the shit's futuristic.
I love the glow up.
I learned it from you.
Hey. Talk that sneaker talk.
Yo, This nigga be coming through with the futuristic shit. So
This
I'm like,
shit's
I don't even
something like,
know.
yo.
What are these? Nigga, these the Marty McFly airs?
He
Nigga,
be coming through with the heat. You can't come through with the whack shit. You know what I'm saying? The brand's too brolic, baby.
this nigga ain't coming on with no
Oh, don't
Hermanos.
forget, also go to bodega.com, bodegasushi.com. We still got tickets for the other shows.
That's
you know what I'm saying?
right.
Just because you're not in New York, you can still
rock.
You can still rock,
Yo,
dog.
Detroit, Baltimore, Seattle, you know what I'm saying? Fucking, what else was on deck?
Ikejima?
Iwo Jima, you know what I'm
Jima.
saying? Tokyo.
Special guest,
You know what I mean?
Logan Paul.
Yeah,
Yeah.
Live from the Suicide Forest.
Is that what we're performing? Yeah. We could get away with that.
Yeah, we good.
We could, because listen, we were very upfront.
You know what I mean?
Also, if you see Desus Mero live from the Suicide Forest,
You know what it
there's going
is.
to be some dead bodies
Come
in that
on,
shit.
you know, we set up right next to them niggas.
Right
too.
next to, they're going to be right there. Niggas swinging on the shit. Like, yeah.
Have Victor Fake kill himself and then be like, psych, at the end of the show.
Oh, it was like, boo, boo. I can't catch a body for real.
Yo, your niggas is whack, yo. I thought nigga was dead. Like, nah, B, we can't kill Bruno Mars.
Mad
Niggas
people,
won
on
back Grammys.
mad people on Twitter like, well, even though Victor didn't die at the end, it was still a good show. Good guy, though.
Good guy, though.
Y'all like Brazilian music?
Yo, samba, bossa nova, anal sex.
That nigga was in the room. Sorry, Chrissy. Chrissy was definitely in the room when all that was going down.
Yeah, fuck it.
Okay, you know what I'm saying? Sometimes you be in the room when niggas get their back thrown out.
I mean,
it
what do you-
happens.
it shit happens, bro.
I mean, if
just
you
be-
was already in the room and then niggas come in the room and start blowing each other's back out, you gotta leave.
What you
I
gonna
was
do? You
here
gotta
first. You know what I'm saying? I'm comfortable now.
Low key, if you leave, are you a homophobe or are you just trying to get people? I don't know.
Good question.
That could be interpreted either way. So I'm
Yeah.
gonna just.
I don't wanna rock the boat.
I'm gonna just chill there. Y'all can
I
do
mean,
your
if I'm
thing.
already smizzed and I'm
Yeah.
stuck in the couch, I'm like, yo,
Fuck it, bro.
I'm good. Do you, y'all?
Yeah, my battery's like pretty charged. I can just go on Twitter and shit.
I'm gonna take a nap. I mean, when y'all done, y'all probably gonna take a nap too. So
Yo, y'all mind if I put this on the live? Like,
I'm
shit
saying?
might maybe a little do numbers.
I'll put the little cry me emojis over your face and shit. Like little clown shits. You clowns blowing each other's backs out. What emoji do you put over people's faces when you trying to hide their privacy?
when they're smashing.
Well, actually, you probably should record people smashing.
Probably, that's true.
That's a strong.
Yeah.
That's what deepfakes for.
Oh, shit! Deepfakes.
The new sponsor? No. I was like, deepfakes. That shit is hot. But then I was like, damn, someone could do that with our faces.
Yo, I thought about that too.
Then I was just like, go ahead.
Go ahead.
Go ahead. Because I'm going to know if that video is not me. You're going to know
Yeah,
if it's
come on.
not me smashing.
Like,
if I'm
yo.
like, hey, suck my pecker. I'm like, nah, I don't use words like
I
that.
know you say that.
But Mero's was going to be like, oh, you got some nice knockers. I'm
You
like,
got some-
that's him.
That's him.
That's
It's
him.
him. He's
That's
talking about the
him.
knockers.
I'm like, you got some nice knockers. I want to eat your butt. I'm
Yo.
like, I'm sorry, that was Mero.
Sorry.
Like, it's gonna have your face. It's gonna. I wonder how it looks. Does it look like NBA big head mode, NBA Jam big head mode and shit? I'll be like, yo, what? The proportions is all.
Yo, I got elephantiasis of the head and my penis, my nigga. Chill.
What if they make a fake Pinot with you, but you Jimmy's Matt? I said Jimmy. Damn.
See? I said
Damn,
knockers. You
said
say
knockers, I
Jimmy.
said Jimmy. We're showing our age. All the FBI agents like, no, they had to be from like the 70s. Like, what the fuck?
It doesn't make any
He said
sense. His
Jimmy.
papers don't add up.
He's about to call a pussy cock. What's up, girl? Let me get that cock.
Yo, my
got
man
it.
hit me up from Philly and was like, yo, is your man Jesus from Philly or did he spend a lot of time in Philly? Because that's what the old heads in Philly call
Oh
shit.
yeah, I used to be in Philly. I used to be in Philly. There's an old Jesus like smoking fucking formaldehyde dipped cigarettes. You know what I'm saying? Taking my John to Wawa.
I used to wall up and bomb and fluid.
Exactly. All right, me and Mac Mittens.
Yeah. Shout out to the Smack
Just straight
DVD
drawing.
where Mac Mittens and PD Crack were just so high on every drug, bro, that they were just like caressing each other and shit. That shit was
it's
wild.
City brotherly love. Shout out to the Eagles for winning. They had their parade.
Yeah, I guess.
I mean, as a Giants fan, you know what I'm saying? You can't listen. Season's over.
Yeah.
What do you do with you can't get mad at the Giants were out of consideration early on.
yeah.
Someone had to win it. Happened to be the Eagles.
Yeah, I mean, I would have rather had been like somebody else.
But it's like this now. The Eagles are like, damn. Now the Eagles are amped. Now the
Oh, yeah.
Eagles think they're gonna repeat next year. And
Oh, they're bugging. You know that's not happening.
See that?
Come on, stop it.
a
Stop
one
it.
and done hurts more than a none.
Yeah.
Because think about the Cubs. Remember, everyone was like, "Oh, the lovable Cubs.
Yeah,
the
the
Cubs.
lovable
One day
ones.
they're gonna get it. Oh, one day the Cubs." And then they won.
Yeah,
And then
yeah.
after that, everyone was like, "Fuck the Cubs.
Fuck the Cubs.
No one gives a shit about the
Fuck
Cubs.
y'all. Y'all
Only person that
won.
cares about the Cubs is Chris Hayes. Gang, gang.
Yeah.
Everyone else, we're not checking on them in the standings. We not. They weren't even relevant. And they're like, no, it was like, yo, could they repeat? Everyone was like, yeah, 27 rings, bro. You know what it is.
Suck my dick.
You know what I'm saying?
Shout out to Chris Hazel. When they won, though, he was just wild smizzy in front of the studio. He's like, go, Cubs, go.
But that's when you're a fan.
Yeah, you got to get smizz.
When you are a long-suffering fan and you've been there you just had your heart broken over and over and over.
Can't relate.
Okay? You can't relate as a Yankee fan. You can definitely relate as a Knick fan.
Oh, yeah, for sure.
Okay?
Yeah.
The Knick fan keeps you humble as a Yankee fan.
Yeah. Damn.
Because I don't even know what's going to happen when the Knicks, when the Knicks, not rest in peace, but get well soon, Chris Stapps.
Yo, we love you, B. You know what I'm
Damn.
saying? I'll come massage your knee personally, my nigga. We'll both go. We'll massage both your knees whenever you need.
Yeah, I think he got Jen for that. Like, I don't know,
Alright,
massage
cool,
niggas'
that's cool,
knees and
alright.
shit. Like, if you get mad about Odell jumping in the air, you hear how you look massaging Eli's knee.
I wasn't even mad at that. I was surprised how many people were mad at that. I was like, yo,
It
it's
was funny,
whimsical.
but you know what? I think it was whimsical, but also the fact you don't want to see like your star players from your team that did not make the Super. Like when I saw it, I was pretty drunk, so I was like, "No, fuck that shit. Why you niggas not doing this shit on the field? Why don't you do this in game 3?"
Yo, they need to do that. Like now you can't tease that and then not do it in an actual game. They got to do that in the NFC Championship game when they beat the Eagles.
Ooh,
You know what I'm saying?
Mero
Wait, can they even go? Is that divisionally possible for them for the Giants to face the Eagles in the NFC Championship game? Oh, it is, right? Okay, good. I thought it was like weird shit with divisions, but yeah.
NFC? No, it would be in the
They're both the NFC A's, yeah. So the divisional playoffs. When they win the divisional playoffs against the bum-ass Eagles, y'all got to do that dirty dancing routine, B. Or else it will be all for naught.
I'm such a nerd. You said NFC, and I thought near field connection on the phones.
Wow.
Gang, all my shirts. Shout out to everyone out there fucking with those contactless payment systems. Yeah, you know what it is. Apple Pay in the building.
Yeah, I'm saying
Apple Watch, gang. Oh man. Ooh.
I haven't charged my Apple Watch in days, B. I thought that shit would have a way better battery life, but I rocked the shit for like 2 days, and then it's just like, nah.
2 days is pretty substantial for a watch.
I guess.
Electronic watch that's tracking your heartbeat, tracking your steps, doing all this stuff. It's
Tracking your
really-
location, giving it to the FBI.
Well, I mean, listen, at a certain point, it takes more effort to hide from the FBI than it is what you need to do, and this is what you need to do. You have to overwhelm the FBI with information. If you it's a thing called signal to noise ratio, and the thing is, the signal is the information they're trying to get. Okay. Now, if you can clutter that with noise, if you just think about it, if someone's like trying to find a password and it's written on
A sheet with
Post-it
100 other
note,
passwords?
and now you make 100 other Post-it notes with just gibberish on it, and you just throw them all on it. It's not really security, but it's going to slow them down. Now, if you just do this every day, you know what I'm saying? And think about like, they already have ways to like track our voices and stuff. So I mean, it's the little things you could do though,
Smart.
like using cash. That's a big thing you could do, or using Cash App. You know what I'm saying? If you can't track it. Well,
You can't track the cash app.
they can track you through Cash App with a warrant. But if you got straight cash,
You good.
you could buy whatever you want with cash,
bro.
nigga.
You know what shit I bought in cash? Woof.
That's
IRS can suck my dick.
okay, all right, okay, all right. You getting
That niggas ain't getting none of that money.
you getting spicy. You getting spicy.
Audit me, nigga. I dare you.
Oh,
No,
wow.
I don't mean that at all.
Wow.
I'm sorry. I got 4
Wow.
kids. Don't audit me, please. I'm still expecting a healthy return, B. Because we're not in that tax bracket that puts us out of, like, you know what I'm saying? Like, that puts us in the Trump bracket. Like, we're still going to get assed out if we don't do maneuvers to maneuver.
I don't know what you're talking about. We are not in the same tax bracket.
We're
We're not. You have 4 kids. Like,
Oh, yeah.
I get fucked.
well, I mean, that's what I'm saying. Like, they don't care. After a certain amount of money.
Because I definitely got a letter from the IRS that it was like, get married, nigga. It was like, just marry anybody. Just find the first person. Doesn't have to just grab someone out your door and sign them, because we are going to tax you for being single.
Signed, your mom.
I was like, oh, what is this? I looked again. I was like, IRS. It was like West Indian IRS. I was like, this is just. I was like, Auntie,
What the fuck are you
what
doing?
is this? She was like, I just worried.
You have to get married.
You have to get married. What's going on?
They're talking about you. You know, they're starting rumors. You know,
Yeah, Marlon Brando.
You know.
Huh?
Yeah.
You and Richard Pryor?
You have a good time with Richard Pryor, James Baldwin, eh?
I was like, I'm in Hollywood. That's allowed.
Bati
So
man.
how you feel?
She called you
Okay.
a wild slur, like, yo.
I was like, first of all, that's not sorry. It's not a bati man. It's called feeling other people's energy. Okay, just stop it.
We don't look at gender, man.
I don't. Gender is for people who have less than $50,000 in the bank.
That's right.
There you go. I said it.
Yeah, it's
What you big ballin', baby?
Huh?
Big
Never
ballin',
lost.
baby. Never lost. Never gendered.
No. Gender fluid, motherfucker.
Oh shit.
Yo, yeah, but Marlon Brando was that nigga. Be like, he really could have just smashed whoever he wanted. Like, that nigga probably smashed Kangaroo Jack.
My thing is like, what's this? There's this whole revisionist history. Everyone's like, yo, that's wild. Marlon Brando's out here fucking niggas. Like, Niggas is not like if niggas is fucking niggas now. Niggas is not like yo, that's wild, that's cool. Like niggas like yo, get out of here, you weirdo. I'm not listening to you. So how come Marlon? Is it because it was so long ago that niggas is like yo, that was? I think because people think about it in like the cool black and white ways, and like it was
statute
like
of
cool
limitations is
back then.
passed.
You know what I'm saying?
Like yo, it was.
Huh? Yeah. Because it's like
he was like I fuck niggas like straight
Yeah,
up.
and he said I'm not ashamed about it.
exactly.
Oh, shout out to him.
But then if you found out like Enzo Ngort was like blowing out Chris Brown's back,
Yeah.
do you think Twitter would be like, oh, they're so progressive, they're so fluid? No, niggas would never listen to Run It ever again.
Oh man, they'd be like, "When a gay nigga want you,
Wow.
baby."
Wow.
And your nigga can't do nothing for you. You know what I'm saying? Get Ansel on decky.
Enzo Decky.
Shout out to Ansel though. He's hip. He knows. Like, was it him that was singing Cardi B? That wasn't him, right? That was some other white dude.
That was a guy from Call Me By Your Name, a movie I'm sure you have the screener for.
Ah, yes, I do. That's what I actually do.
Why do you send Mero? Like, stop sending Mero screeners.
Yo, it's cool because it just when I do my little, romantical movie night, I can just be like, yo, look at this fucking unending stack of screeners of movies that you never see. So pick one and let's watch it. And most of them are like award-winning corny dramas and shit. So like Heather's into that type of shit. So
All right. Well, shout out to that. Shout out to you and your screeners, cause I mean,
you got screeners on deck?
nah, I don't fuck with no screeners. It's a Babylon ting.
It's a Babylon thing. Yo, they really make you feel like you're gonna go to jail if you give anybody your screener.
Mm-hmm.
Shit is really out of control. Guess what, Nick? I give them shits to everybody, bro. I be renting them shits out. I'm burning copies.
Damn.
I got the old Dell with the DVD burner on it.
Victor, you ready for we sitting in court and just playing this shit and just keep shaking our heads?
No, I actually don't. But
we have to be. We're not sitting there to be in trial. We're just there for support. We have
in the gallery and shit.
We have T-shirts that say "Free Mero."
Yo, that nigga ain't do shit.
He might have done some of it, but y'all gotta let it slide because he got away with more shit than y'all found.
You know what I mean?
Like y'all didn't find about that body.
Chill. I'm about to stay like, yo, chill, you wildin'. Niggas trying after me.
Niggas just pointing out like, yeah,
Yeah, it was him. He did it.
It was Kid Mero, Murder Mero.
Yo, free the homie tax stone. You know what I'm
Your
saying?
lawyer's like, yo, how do you even know it was Mero? They're like, he caught a tag right above it, right above the body.
Yo.
They're like, anyone could have done it. No, he also put himself on Instagram Live doing the tag.
Yo.
They show the video. You're like, yo, niggas, whole lot of gang shit out here. I just caught this tag. You know what it is? Suck my dick from the back. Look at this nigga. He's on the floor. You know what it is? Murder Mero. I'll cut your face. Shout out to Alien Labs. I'm like, I'm just looking at you like, you
Damn,
idiot.
This nigga wants this indictment.
You go to your lawyer. You're like, so it was still looking good though, right?
Yo, if I get,
We can still beat this.
we can still be. He's like, yeah, for sure, pal.
Sure, I can beat this.
Nigga takes his yarmulke off, throws it at the judge and shit.
Wow. That was the problematic, like, charging up. It was like, wow.
Lex looking shit like, do.
I'm sorry, that was problematic.
Problematic.
Yo, shout out to Elon Musk. He sent some rockets into. Not only did he so out of control rich, he sent a rocket into space with a Tesla on top. We gotta go get that car.
We gotta
go save that car. That's the movie. We go to space to get the Tesla.
To get the Project X.
To get the rescue Project X.
You know what I'm saying?
We gonna get mad radiation poisoning and our butt is gonna boil and shit, but we get the car.
Yes, sir.
Niggas gonna whip. Yo, imagine we do all that shit and we finally reach the Tesla. We started, it's like battery low.
Needs charge.
Is there a charging station in space?
Yo, I didn't even notice.
Elon Musk. You know what I'm saying? If you really rich like this, I'm giving you the rich nigga challenge right now. Build a Tesla charging station on the moon.
I dare you.
No reason to do it. No reason you can't do it. If you got money like
ahead,
that.
Elon.
Do it. Come on.
Elon.
Make
it happen.
It sounds like you say Eli.
Eli? Oh,
Like,
Eli.
it's not Elon. Eli Manning's not building a Tesla charger with Dunkin' Donuts in there. Like, hey.
Hey, well, it's just a camera and I'm drinking a coffee in it, so it's ludicrous mode now, right?
How does Elon Manning charge his Tesla?
Yo, my fucking neighbor got a Tesla. Nigga had I feel like this is your glow, but yeah, I feel like this is a parallel because he also had the Jetta. He had like the something Jetta, and he glowed up to the Tesla. So I ran up on him. I was like, yo, bro. I was like, yo, I'm about to get my hands on this like X Model X. Like, can you tell me a little bit about your car? You know what I'm saying? Blah, blah, blah. And he's like, oh, yeah, it's a cool car. You know what I'm saying? But I was like, yo, you have to go to a charging station to charge this car, right? And he's like, no. He's like, you could just plug it into a regular outlet in your crib. He's like, but it takes 24 hours to charge that way. You know what I'm saying? So I was just like,
he
man.
must be a broke boy. If you got a Tesla, you don't buy like a charger for your garage
to plug it in.
You don't deserve to have a Tesla.
That's what I'm saying. I was like, don't
listen,
they sell? I don't want to flex on them because I don't want to say like, don't they sell the shit to put in your crib?
And so, as an illustrious person that we know said, either you got it or you don't, baby. Either you got it or you
Word
don't.
Up. Shout to the
That's my new mode. That's my new mood. Okay, either you got it or you don't. Yeah. And if I got it, and you don't.
Well.
Such for you.
You out, homie.
You know what I'm saying? You can't half-ass things. Like the Tesla experience is the drive home, put on the real charge. Imagine you gotta like get 4 extension cords. You plug it to like the only strong outlets in your kid's room. That's coming across the living room. You gotta come down the second floor window and shit.
You like,
shit about Yankee.
Looking at your iPad charger like, this shit compatible? Like, I don't know.
You know what I'm saying? You go to pee in the middle of the night. You trip over it. Then you can't go to work in the morning because your car's not charged up. You gotta call. You go. I can't make it. My Tesla. I forgot to plug it in. Like, you don't want that shit.
I plugged it in, but then the cube
thing wasn't pushed all the way in. Yeah,
you know what I mean, shit. I'm at like 4% right now, but that's a good excuse when you trying to dub shorty. Like, I can't pick you up, man. My car's on like 2%. Like, I can't.
What life? If I have a Tesla and I'm trying to dub shorty, my dubbing shorty is like, I'm not coming to see you. Like, what is all this? Oh, my Tesla is out. We're not. I am no longer interested in you. Goodbye. Block and delete.
So ruthless. You gotta be.
Listen, because as you get more popping, you have less free time for idle shit.
That's true.
We're working on too much shit. We got books, we got live shows. You know what I'm saying?
All type of shit.
I'm doing my Pilates. I'm way behind in my Scientology classes. Like, come on, fam, I need help. Yeah. I don't even got time. I don't even got time to join Kabbalah. Can you be in both? Is that like how? Remember Sonic and Knuckles? How they had the 2 cartridges?
Yeah, that was innovative. That was wild innovative.
How the fuck did I just remember that?
Yo, that was lit. Because when you put Sonic 2 in there, it was like, okay. And when you put Sonic 3 in that bitch,
yeah,
bro, whole new game.
You know what's funny? Technology, because now niggas is like that impressive to you. Like, you walk in a room right now and the console's like, hello, Murder Mero.
Yo, what's good?
But you know what? Because we're spoiled. Because back then, little shit would blow our mind. Like the idea, what was it?
Rumble Pack?
Not the Rumble Pack.
Game Genie?
What's the name? Snake Eyes?
Game Shark?
Snake Eyes. Oh, Metal Gear.
Metal Gear, yeah.
And the guy with the torture scene, and he was like, he could read your memory card to see what other games you had. And he was like, you play like, he's like, you play NBA Jam or whatever game. And he was like, how the fuck?
You know?
Yeah. Or remember the X-Men Genesis game, and one of the final screens was reset the computer, and it was just a countdown, and you pressed all the buttons, and you jumped around, and no matter what you did, the countdown would just happen. It'd be like game over. And no one knew how to beat it. And then finally, out of frustration, I was like, fuck this. And I pressed reset, and all the characters on the screen reset, and then went to the next board.
What?
Niggas was fucking with your heads back then, man. Niggas was fucking with your heads.
Wow.
What's that? Oh.
Fuck.
And also, shout out whoever invented Game Genie. Game Genie was just Hennessy for your Nintendo.
Yeah, that's it.
The same way, like if playing regular video games is regular sex, Game Genie is Hennessy.
Oh, yeah.
Exactly. Change the
Hennessy
experience.
and Molly in your butt. Like,
that's when you start wilding out. Start trying new ways. Coming in different entrances and shit.
I'm going to eat your butt.
Yeah, let me stick this in your ear. I don't give a fuck.
I'm going to put my tongue in your nose.
That's when she get freaky and shit. She finally say what she really want you to do to her. She's like, yo, let me fart in your mouth. You're like, yeah. Like, damn, Ma, you was eating combos? What is this? The blue cheese one? Oh, yeah.
I taste it. I got a little chunk in my mouth.
Dude,
I'm eating that shit.
You got the wild pubic hair on your tongue. Sounds like you're beatboxing.
Yo, if you're eating choach and you got to stop and go like this,
that's when you know you did
like
it right.
Pick your tongue and shit. Like, yeah, you doing it.
Or like the little thing that connects the roof of the tongue.
Yeah.
And it hurts afterwards. You're like,
because you're like,
he's working it like the guy that does the Friday Night Knicks song. Like,
clip.
Working that tongue like a slide guitar, like da 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 da.
Yeah.
Yo, guess who died?
Who?
Lovebug Skarsky.
Oh, wow, for real?
Yeah. Rest in peace. Hip hop legend.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying? Started rap music and hip hop. Wouldn't be no hip hop, real hip hop without him.
Biggie name dropped him in Juicy. Yeah. That's how you know he's very integral to the culture.
These people invented rap. There was no rap.
No.
None. And now you got like little pumpers that be like, I don't need to know the form. Like, nigga, learn D lessons. This is why niggas become old heads. I'm gonna start becoming the old head. Just work out, become wild top diesel for no reason.
With the wild Johnny Bravo legs.
Don't do no kind of leg day and shit.
Respect it.
And all I do is listen to old school rappers. Still rap that way.
You still got the belly and shit, but your arms is wild brolic and shit.
Who's the best bass in the Bronx? Who's the one you want to face in the Bronx? It's me. Ha ha. It's D. It's Mero on the left. Now Victor's on the right.
And he's doing it.
And he wants to fight.
It's fucking luxurious.
He'll fight all night.
He'll scrap your shit.
Don't get him tight.
He'll fucking bite.
Everyone's like, thank you for coming
to
Daytop.
All right. Appreciate you. Thank you for coming to Daytop. Bro, I watched Star Wars.
If you get clean, you can be like these guys.
You can be like these guys. I watched Star Wars the other day, and there was like a scene with like Busy Bee, and he's like, "I'm Busy Bee, and I saw the man, the motherfucking Sam the Sam. I shot that nigga in his head, and he said, "Oh my God, it's lead." I was like, "Bruh, like."
But listen, it was the beginning of rap.
I was like, yo.
Like, y'all can't, like, if on Monday I come to you like, yo, I invented hip hop, on Friday I'm not gonna be Kendrick. Like, niggas take their time to this shit.
That's true.
Because think about it, if you invented hip hop, who are you gonna ask if the shit is whack? Everybody probably was like, yo, this shit is whack.
This shit is
Nobody
whack,
was like,
man.
yo, this shit is popping.
What?
And then everybody was like, oh, you rapping? You know how many terrible rappers must have been out there? It's like, I don't want to name names, but niggas get a podcast, you get a TV show, and then everyone's like, yo, let me start a podcast.
Let me do it.
Not every podcast is
I
good.
can do that.
Yeah, I could do that.
No.
How many people saw like fucking Grandmaster Flash and all that was like, I could do that
I can scratch. All that nigga's doing is putting his hands on the records. I can do that.
We were talking to Andre Harrell. He was like, I was a rapper, and like, you ever heard nothing? Like, were you a good rapper?
Where's MC and where's the MC Andre shit? Nigga, I don't hear none of that.
Yeah, you had like, you had the world class record crew. You had Dr. Dre dressing up like a chick with Jerry curls and shit. Like niggas was out there.
Yo,
that's crazy. Like think about like who back then they were like, yo, this is gonna be forever. Like who was making it pop? It's even back when. Remember when it was at one point in history, niggas was like, yo, who are gonna still be listening to in 10 years? Jay-Z, Fabulous, or Joe Budden? And you were like, I can't call it.
I can't even call it. I can't call it, bro. Triangle offense, man.
Low key, I was like, yo, I think Joe might got it.
Joe?
That's not even.
Ooh.
That's not even like a diss or nothing. Like, cause he had like Joe was on the internet way before Jay-Z was even on the internet and shit. So I was like, yo, he got the new thing. I'm actually surprised. Well, not surprised, but they're still all three are still here, which is weird.
Yeah.
Because what old school artists other than Rakim or like every now and then we'll bring out somebody for like old timers there or hip hop day at the Knicks and shit's Matt Wash and I go get food at a concession stand. Yeah. But
like, oh, where y'all niggas got Percy P freestyling for 2 hours? Great. I'm gonna go get a beer.
Here's the #1 rap song in 1983. And niggas is like, yo.
Oh man, bro, like I was literally a baby.
I got a pool on the wall. I'm like,
pool on the wall, pool on the floor, pool on my house, pool on my door. I'm like, nigga, this shit doesn't even make sense.
That's Kid Mero with the #1 single in New York City in 1983 called Pools. Do pools. Do pools. Oh, we got the new Kid Mero Starsky remix with Desus Nice on the remix. I got pools on my roof.
Oh, shit. That's called a pool roof. A roof pool. Motherfucker, y'all some fools.
I went to a pool hole and put a hole in my pool. Niggas like, yo, double entendre. Don't even ask me how.
Like, I put a hole in my pool. Like, what? Why'd y'all do that?
It's like, how many pools are you?
Bruh.
And like the wild CGI, but it's low-key 80s style animation. Or just like on a green screen, like, oh, there's a pool.
Yo, fam, this is non sequitur, but like, I want to shout out Quincy Jones for reopening the Beatles are trash debate that I thought was like long gone.
Well,
like, I mean, I don't know if it's a debate.
I don't know if it's the debate.
Like, the Beatles are trash. The Beatles
if
are
Quincy
trash.
Jones says you're trash.
You're trash. Sorry. I think it made Thriller, and then you got mad people caping for the Beatles crazy hard. Like,
you know what it is? Because the Beatles, and I say this to say this. The problem with the Beatles is they are just 4 average people. And everyone that enjoys the Beatles looks at them and is like, I could do that.
I could do that.
And that they need that hope. They need to keep that hope alive.
Hey, you know what? I'm a no-playing motherfucker myself.
Exactly. Nobody really likes the Beatles. Everyone has just been like peer pressured into liking the Beatles.
Of course.
Like if you work for Noisy, you work for Spin, all those music magazines. Because if you go in there and talk about I don't like the Beatles, niggas will flame you. You know what I'm saying?
You don't like the Beatles,
you
dude?
You gotta fall in line.
You don't like the Beatles, dude?
I scoff at you.
Are you fucking kidding me, bro?
You know what I'm saying?
Are you fucking joking?
The Beatles.
You listen to fucking Lil Wayne? You like the Beatles, dude?
The Beatles.
Are you kidding me, bro? These just get fucking adamant, like.
It's not that
Bro,
serious, fam. What rap group do people cape for the way people cape for the Beatles?
Bro,
There's no rap group where people
know.
like, you don't listen to, you don't, like, no. Nobody.
Not even like seminal
Wu-Tang
rap
or
groups like
something.
Wu-Tang and shit.
Nope.
Like, not even.
G-Unit.
Nobody.
Migos.
Come
TDE. No.
No.
Nope.
You know what I'm saying?
Oh, wait.
Chief Keef.
Smiles and South Star.
Oh, yeah.
Tell me what you da. Also, Supreme stole the idea for NBA. No, they stole the idea from NBA jeans from like the 90s.
Yeah, but I mean, we rekindled that. Like, let's not be humble, but again, like I told you niggas, episode 2, the brand is very strong. People are lifting IP from the podcast. Let's just put it out there. A lot of y'all niggas is doing a lot of things
Shout
that we
to
do.
It's Biscuit, who he does the Cousin Steve's, dressing like the nigga that just got out of jail and shit. He went to Supreme like, yo, y'all niggas, like I was really dressing like that for real in 2017.
Yep.
Cut a check, and Supreme blocked him.
Yep.
So you know what I'm saying? Shout to him. We support you. Boycott Supreme.
Word. Shout
I
to
love
Biscuit.
us.
You know what I'm saying? Say Biscuit's name.
My love. I come to you, my loves. Boycott Supreme. I love us. That's the new thing now. We are Monique's. Anyone crosses the brand, we boycott.
That's it. Boycotting.
We shut. Don't get on the wrong side. We'll boycott you.
Yeah. Also, YM Babe is right outside the studio right now. He might snuff us if we big up Supreme.
Yeah. Also, it's not hard to boycott Supreme because if you don't got a bot, you're not buying the shit.
You're not buying the shit.
The Supreme store is so weird because you go in there and there's plenty of Supreme on the racks.
Oh yeah.
But that's not the Supreme people want.
No.
You know what I'm saying?
They don't want the
box
fucking
logo.
like.
They want the rare shit.
Yeah, they don't want the Jason Dill fucking awesome T-shirt, nigga. They want the
my
fucking
favorite
Louis
Supreme
Vuitton
experience was when we were in LA and I went to the Supreme store and I asked someone if they had a T-shirt in medium. The guy looked at me in such disgust and went in the back and just never came back out. And I was like, I ended up just buying another shirt that was size medium because no one was helping me.
Yeah,
like, everyone was offended I was trying to give them money. They was like,
Like,
nah, we just a cool store.
Bruh,
I don't need your money.
You came in here to like buy stuff.
came in here to
dude?
shop?
What?
What the fuck?
Dude? What are you?
What are you, a
There's no line
poser?
outside, dude. Shout out to Supreme. Shout out to Fairfax. You know what I'm saying?
Fairfax is good. We gotta hit up LA soon.
Yeah.
Go out there.
But to go out there, you know
Go
what I'm
out
saying?
there, smoke our minds crazy, and then sit in 2 hours of traffic for a 20-minute meeting. Yeah.
You know what I'm saying?
Love LA. Love LA.
I love LA.
I love LA. Victor come to the hotel room like, we have a 4 o'clock meeting, so the car will be downstairs at 1. Like,
AM.
You just do it you do everything in the back of that SUV. You take off your clothes, take off your shoes, you lay down, you
Smoke
sleep,
a blunt,
you
eat lunch.
You fucking you go on Twitter, you get your battery to halfway, you have time to charge your phone all the way back up, and you still not at the place.
Yep, that's right. You're up there fucking doing live Instagrams and shit, fucking calling.
Then you meet with people
taxes.
and they're like, "Oh, we love you." They're like, "We love you." They're like, let's figure out a way to work together. Like, yes, we'll do that. All right, let's set up another meeting. You get back in the SUV. 4 hours back to your hotel.
Yeah,
I love it.
I love it.
I love it.
Shout out
See,
to everybody that, you know,
when you're
what I'm
not
saying,
pop
that didn't
meaningless
up.
meetings, don't bother you.
No.
Like if this was back in my old job, I'd be like, why the fuck we having these meetings? Why we here? There ain't no bagels in this shit. This shit now?
They said ain't no bagels.
Ain't no bagels in this shit. That used to be the wild buzzkill coming to a meeting room. Be like,
Y'all
niggas
niggas don't got
no
crafty,
bagels?
bro. Y'all niggas ain't
y'all
got
even got the fruit plate?
Come on, son.
Or even, I think the worst was sometime they did that Dunkin' Donuts thing, and instead of getting mad donuts, they cut the donuts in half. I was like, who eats a half a donut?
I hate that. Yo,
You know who
every
eats
time
a half a donut? Andrew Cunanan,
Yeah.
the person that killed Versace.
Yo, he eats half a donut.
You gotta be a sociopath to eat half a donut.
I thought he was eating a whole donut. That was a donut hole joke, meaning butthole, meaning he ate butthole. You know what I'm saying?
I'm gonna put you on the internet with a sign that said I made a butthole joke. That's our new hashtag, Mero shaming.
Don't Mero shame me, bro.
No, I'm Mero shaming. I'm Mero shaming. That's gonna be our op-ed in the New York Times. Should we continue Mero shaming? And I'm gonna be pro and you're gonna be con. You're gonna be like, I'm against Mero shaming because
I'm Mero.
I'm Mero.
Yeah.
I'd be like, never before has a constitutional crisis in our country been as bad as Mero needs to go. What's our?
Just like, I agree fully
gotta
with
go.
you. I agree with you.
I'd be like, Jeff, I don't even think he's here legally, honestly.
I mean, neither did I. I listened to the podcast intros, and those last 20 seconds seemed very illegal immigrant to me.
Also, you know what I'm saying? He's always smoking on Alien Labs. Hint, hint, nudge, nudge.
Yeah, illegal Alien Labs more like it.
Yeah.
Smoking that gelato?
Get
you
outta
got the
here.
gato out the fuck out of my country, motherfucker.
It's gonna be bad. We gotta
Get
do
the fuck outta here.
We gotta do the fucking. I'm gonna be like, they deported him, and somehow they fuck up my paperwork, and I get sent back to Jamaica. I'm like, no,
No.
I was born in Lincoln Hospital. What are you doing?
That shit is legit.
I'm in Jamaica. I'm like, yo, I can't. Talking about, I'm like, yo, what's the, excuse me, what's the Wi-Fi code? She's like, go get water from the tank. I'm like, no, I'm on TV.
I can't do this.
Trying to call Vice. I'm like, I can't come in.
Go empty the chamber pot. Shut up. Go back and sweep the
And
alleyway.
when that Vice is at 1 o'clock, like, yo, do we have eyes on Desus and Mero? I'm like, I'm in Montego Bay.
Yeah. I'm like, hey guys, I'm in Red Mile right now, sweeping a gutter.
They're like, so what time do you think you'd be here? I'd be like, I would say July.
Yeah.
Could a PA send a barrel to pick me up or something?
Yo, niggas are going to. I'm going to Zero in a barrel. I'm gonna try that.
Is that
out.
your thing?
I'm gonna just poke holes in this shit and just like be like,
If
send me
they-
in there with like a queen bed sheet.
Fam, if they see holes poked in the barrel, they're gonna know you're trying to snuggle down there. So you gotta have the baby lungs, take that wild deep breath before they seal you in there and just hold on. How long is it from New York to DR?
I just hotbox the shit like the whole time, like I'm in the steerage, like
They're like, it's weird. He has no oxygen. Yeah, he's smoking.
He's
How?
smoking. I do not understand.
How?
He's literally burning the oxygen in there. I don't
He's in
get
a
it.
pressurized cannon. How is this igniting? You fuck around, like make all the foam come out on everyone's suitcase and shit. Niggas like, damn, those meals.
Oh my
All
god!
the luggage is in the ruin. And just come out the cockpit shit with like mad foam on you. Like,
Yo.
niggas smoke, whole lot of gay shit.
We lit, nigga, yo. No smoking in the bathroom. Yeah, I don't got no
My
smoking in the
suitcase, it
steerage.
is ruined.
Man, fuck your suitcase, nigga. I'm lit.
I'm like, nigga. They're like, there was a kidney there.
Oh well.
Nigga put up like a fucking Coca-Cola inside the kidney next to the kidney.
I just pick up the kidney like, nigga, I was smoking at this shit.
Niggas like mad smoke, like niggas mad smacked to just start biting the kidney, like
God.
I eat anything.
Shit tastes like
nigga.
Slim Jim.
Yeah, I'm in Boston, bro. I'm Grizzly, bro. Feed me. Niggas take out the kidney. That shit got like a half a big bite mark. He was like, yo, niggas say, I have cabin service. What you want,
I
yo?
mean, there was a little Tabasco sauce in there, so I just threw it on there like bang bang, you know what I mean?
You know, so I thought it was pernil. I ain't know.
Fuck it, B. You
I
know
thought
what
you was
I'm
just
saying?
marinating this
I'm
shit.
on that raw meat wave.
Oh,
Remember that shit? Remember that show Wife Swap?
yeah.
Remember that episode of Wife Swap where homie made his whole family eat raw meat? And then they did the wife swap, and the new family was like, my mans. Like, we're human beings. We're not eating raw meat. He's like, why won't you eat raw meat? Niggas driven to tears.
Oh, no.
Because motherfuckers don't eat raw
No,
meat.
they made his children eat cooked meat, and they got sick.
They got sick.
They got the baby stomachs.
Yo.
When I worked at Club Speed,
Speed.
there was one Jamaican.
I got my little brother head at a party in Speed. What?
There was a Jamaican guy. I forgot his name. He had a wild Jamaican game, but he would come through every day with slabs of liver. And before we
God.
started the night, you eat like a raw slab
Eat
of
a
liver.
raw slab of liver? Because he's going to drink a lot? He's like, yo, this liver will absorb.
No, because when you're doing security, like the blood and the iron from that gets you mad charged up for doing security. Because security is wild because you're just standing there, you're just idle all night.
Yeah, that's true.
And then immediately you are fighting for your life and for the safety of everyone else in the fucking
So you get
venue.
wild drunk.
So you can't be wild drunk. You get wild drunk, that's how you get fucking washed. And then you don't get washed in front of other security guards because they'll never let you forget it. Or like
yeah.
other patrons will remember that shit and niggas won't invite you back the next day.
Yo, you big for nothing, motherfucker.
Exactly.
You
There's
big
a lot of big for nothing security guards out there. Like people, I mean, you could just push people, but if like niggas is trying to like go toe to toe
Rock
with
your
weapons
shit?
and shit,
Yeah.
being big ain't gonna help you.
Listen, Suge
that's
Knight-
just more shit for you to get shanked. with.
Yeah, Suge Knight got knocked out by a dude that was 5'5". Never forget.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying? Suge Knight was a big motherfucker. Didn't he get his start as a bouncer or some
Yeah,
type of security
he
or
was.
some shit? Yeah.
And then he was making niggas drink pee.
Yeah.
He was dangling vanilla ice over the balcony
Roof,
shit.
And they just got pieced down from the fucking Viper room or some shit.
Niggas giving him the sonic rings and shit.
And he ran homie over? That nigga had a wild run, bruh.
Oh yeah. Yeah, definitely would use the word wild run for Suge Knight's existence. Your man was out here.
He's out there in every sense of the word.
Oh man.
Damn. Shugito.
Today you became a woman.
Cause I broke your hymen.
Okay, I didn't know.
no?
It wasn't.
Okay, was it that one?
You weren't in that group.
I was,
That's back when you were in Menudo.
I was like, te rompí tu hymen, mami.
It was like, ah! The next day, everyone's heart got broken. It was like, Joel has been kicked out of Menudo.
Damn.
He got too big.
Nigga
They show a
mustache.
video of you. You got like the wild, like you can't fit in the shirts and shit.
I'm like, no, it's 3/4 length.
I'm so good. I'm so young. I'm so cute.
I got the wild full beard and shit, Matt Grays.
They're like, hit the high notes. Hit the high notes. It's your turn. You're
I'm
like,
like,
boo.
They got auto-tune that.
They replaced you with like a young John Cicada.
I don't want to blow.
Oh man.
Yo. Speaking of blown up, terrible segue.
Wow.
Travis Scott Kylie Jenner
Straight up.
have a baby.
They have a baby. What's that baby gonna look like?
Oh man, that baby don't look like me.
You know what? Shout to her proving that if you have money, life is so much easier.
So much easier,
So
bro.
much easier. She had like we know nothing. It wasn't like a wild pregnancy.
Nothing.
Like they were able to hide it, and they was like, "Hey, here's a baby."
You know what is ill? Like in my mind, I was like, I don't know. I don't follow the Kardashians closely enough. I'm like, yo, did Shorty really stay in the crib for 9 months? Like, and just be waited on hand to foot? Like, you got enough money to do that, and it's feasible.
Yeah,
You know what I'm saying? You don't even got to get out the crib to go to
Where
Starbucks.
was she going though?
You know what I'm saying? Where you gonna go? You gonna go to Starbucks? Me?
Damn.
Send your fucking Doja to Starbucks.
You know, and
what
I
I'm
feel
saying?
bad because it's just like, I know any chick I knock up, she gonna be on the train and shit.
Yeah.
She's gonna have to be asking people, yo, could you help me carry the
Carry
stroller up the
downstairs,
steps
please,
and
yo?
shit? Niggas be like, why'd you get a nigga with a car?
Well, he has a car, you know what I'm saying? But the problem is that, like, he said that I couldn't sit in it. The first time I sat on it, he was like, yo, just sit in the car. Don't touch nothing. Sit
I'll
in
be
the
like,
car.
yo, mom, I want to see my kid, but it's weekend construction, so.
So I don't know. Alternate
I
size
don't
a
know.
little tricky.
Nah, like Lyft, it's like $10 extra for a car seat. So, like, you know.
Yo, shout out to the Ubers that like I've had a lot of experience with Uber recently, and some of the motherfuckers do not care and will let you like do whatever the fuck you want in the car.
Oh, that's because you take Uber.
Yeah.
Yeah, don't take Uber.
Why?
Uber
They let you
Uber
do
is the
whatever you want?
bottom. They go up. It's Uber, Lyft, Juno.
Juno's like top of the heap.
Juno's top of the heap, but
Okay.
there's never like Juno cars be weird. They're a little too chatty. I like Lyft because Lyft drivers, they be going through their own personal problems, but they be more concerned about their problems than
Right.
your problem. So they'll talk to you about it for a little bit, and then they just do the rest of the ride, just shaking their head.
Shaking
like,
it, like,
damn, I
damn,
can't
bro.
live like this.
Damn, bro.
This shit is whack. I remember there was one Lyft driver. He was like, "Yo," you smell good, bro." And I was like, "Oh, thank you." You know what I'm saying? It's a little gelato. He was like, "Yo, I wish I could smoke. I haven't smoked in 23 years." I was like, "Damn, nigga."
Damn, niggas. I mean, you're not a smoker anymore.
I was like, you know exactly. He was like, yeah, the last time I smoked was the day my son was born. Never did that. I never smoked again. And
What?
I was like, so how do you like de-stress? He was like, I can't drink either because I have high blood pressure. And he was talking about how
what?
he needs to raise something like $700 that month because him and his girl need it to pay off the Uber car or some shit. And I was like, I sat there. I was like, "Yo, any problems I got, like, fuck that.
Fuck.
I'm sitting there. So he's driving. I'm rubbing his back, like, it's all right, daddy. You be all right.
You be good, daddy.
You, all right.
You be good, daddy.
You a good father. You
Yo.
good. You gonna get on your feet and shit.
Take $4.95. This the fucking other shit is jammed up.
I was like,
Yo, but nah, that's crazy. Damn, nigga said I haven't
worst
smoked
part-
after I had my son.
The worst part is when Lyft or Uber drivers, they tell you something wild depressing, and the ways be like, time in stuck in traffic, 20 minutes. You're like, fuck.
Shit, bro.
Fuck you mean.
Thank God
that
for
kind of
these-
shit. Like, I'm like, nah. I'm not doing that shit.
Thank God for these AirPods, nigga.
Yeah. No, and the AirPods are not visible enough that if the car is dark, they're just talking to you OD. And you're like, you have to be dramatic and take one out. Like,
I'm sorry.
I'm on the phone.
I'm on the phone. I'm sorry.
phone.
I can't. I can't hear your misery. Sorry.
Man, I'm just listening to Paramore. Like, till I feel.
There's a Paramore joint.
They're all joints.
But
Gang,
there's one.
Paramore Hive.
There's another.
Assemble.
There's one though that is like a joint.
They're all. Which one?
Ain't it fun?
Ain't it fun? Yeah.
That's a cool joint. Yeah.
Y'all don't know. That shit
Oh,
sound
no,
like
this is my shit though.
that shit sound like something from like the 80s. Like,
Misery business. Nice.
You know what I'm saying? Yeah, kick in. Wait for this drop.
oh, damn. This reminds me of like in high school, and my white parents were getting divorced and shit. I had the wild piercing in my lip. I had the spike hairs in my goth fade. I used to wear the wild leather jacket and shit. The duster. I wore the Jinko jeans over my Vans, but they were too long. So in the back, I would step on them, and then it was just like, oh,
mad
worn
ratty and
wet.
shit. Yeah.
That was me.
Yeah, you got the mud like leaking up to like your calf muscle and shit.
And everyone at
Yeah.
school was like, oh, wow, you're in the trench coat mafia, but I was wild cool, and they was like, Ari, they're weird, but Desus is cool.
This is cool.
Desus is cool.
I fuck with him.
Yeah.
Yo, but speaking of weird jeans, they are releasing now, like, I think is it Don C? Is collaborating with Levi's or some shit like that to do NBA jeans.
Oh, are they?
But they look like fucking Parasucos, my nigga.
We gotta bring back Parasucos.
Yeah. And these hoes and they cheap ass Parasucos.
We need Parasucos. I mean, when's the last time you ran to the bathroom and had to pee on yourself willy nilly?
Because you couldn't get that class.
3 fucking combination locks on your fly out. How about that? That's fun.
Yo,
can't ever go through a metal detector.
Why did y'all put the fucking Paddington Bear toggles on my crotch?
Ching 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 ching. Just put my dick in Rikers. Lock in.
Lock in. Nutsack, lock in.
Bronx, lock in. Brooklyn, lock in.
Boston, lock in.
Like, oh shit. Like, yo, keep it down. I gotta see the judge in there.
Yeah.
I'm not cuffing up. They're like, sir, your fly is open. I'm not cuffing up.
Fuck out of here.
Fuck out of here.
What I look like? I ain't going back.
Said the turtles in here. I'm not. Shout out to all my jail niggas that ain't go to court this morning.
You know what I mean?
And made it hot for everyone else and got the phones turned off. No one's getting mail. And y'all might not get rectile, but you know what?
Fuck it.
Fuck it.
You know what I mean?
Fuck it. That's the one cool thing about jail. You could fuck up everything for so many people.
Yeah. So if you're feeling like, a
what I'm
little
saying?
upset about your own situation,
but the problem
guess what?
The problem is if you want to fuck shit up, like niggas might kill you.
Yeah,
so.
that's true. Yeah. That's the only consequence.
That's the consequences.
They might murder you.
Yeah, but
sometimes you want to roll the dice.
Sometimes you want to roll the dice.
You know what I mean?
Also, sometimes don't gamble in jail. Rolling the dice is very dangerous.
No.
Do not gamble in jail. Mind your business. Just watch the fucking telenovelas or whatever. Just
you know what I mean?
Say keep your head down.
Don't gamble in jail, bro. You might be gambling with your butt.
That's what they tell people. That's what everyone knows. You go to jail like maybe like the first couple of days you like laying low and shit.
Yeah.
Week 2, you gossiping like a little bitch.
Yeah.
You gambling and shit.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying? You bored.
Yep.
They say they're gonna give niggas iPads and shit. I don't know.
I saw that. I was like, that's wild.
I feel there's not gonna be enough iPads for everybody. Niggas gonna break the iPad.
Someone's gonna break it and then kill his bunkmate for fucking to get the iPad.
Bachelor was heading with that iPod. Oh wow. On some Black Mirror shit.
Can they watch Pino? Nah, they're probably gonna have mad parental controls on this shit.
No, when you even when you go to do jury duty, the internet. Especially at the Bronx, because jury duty for Bronx.
Oh yeah, it has the WebSense shit. And
yeah, so they're like, you could check as like your Hotmail, like, fam.
Get the fuck out of
here. And
here.
you could check you can check your court case. I'm like, fam, I'm doing jury duty. Why would I check my own court case? Ironically, I did have an open case. So I was like, okay. And I don't want to make it hot. I'd be like, yo, I got an open case because y'all niggas, I don't want to do.
Shout out to all my niggas with open cases.
What's the open case? I'd be like, nah, don't worry about that. Don't worry about
it's
that.
a case of Bex, nigga. It's what I got. It's open.
Ka-ching.
Fuck out of here.
Salud.
Hey.
You know what it was? Listen, I was recording an Irish Spring commercial. Shit got wild.
Shit got wild. You know what I'm saying? That's all I got to say about that.
That's all I got to say.
Yo.
I sold a trade bag to Patrick Anthony, you know what I mean? He paid in 4-leaf clovers.
Yeah, listen to me, mate.
Gosh, I'm sick.
I'm sick. You
fucking bitch.
Oh, you fucking, you found
Patrick Anthony, why don't you come out the bathroom?
Oh, you bloody cunt, I need another hot bag.
Patrick Anthony, we're going down to the Stout House for a lager. Get out the basement.
A lager and lime.
A lager and lime, come true.
Yo.
Oh.
Quincy Jones also said that Ireland is one of the most racist countries in the world. I don't know if I've never been there. I've never been.
Have you ever been? Also, there? No black people have ever been, so probably.
Yeah, right.
There's probably like 5 black people in Ireland.
Eddie Griffin went.
Eddie Griffin. That's why. Now that explains why they're racist now. Imagine the first time you introduced to black people was through Eddie Griffin.
Eddie Griffin, he's like, motherfucker, goddamn.
He'd come off the airport like, goddamn, this shit is green as fuck.
Hey, let me tell y'all something. Y'all some corny white motherfucking piece of garbage motherfuckers. Goddamn. Niggas like, yo, why are you disrespecting us, mate?
Black people.
I know he's an Australian accent for the Irish guy. But
black people are 1.42% of Ireland. There are 65,000 black people.
Damn, do they all live in the same piece? Like, how do they?
There was a rebel called Mulatto Jack. No relation to Combat Jack. Rest in peace.
Mulatto Jack?
Yeah.
Wow.
Problematic. Yeah. They got like a lot of Africans. Not like black like us.
Oh, like
Africans. Like proud Africans. You know what I'm saying?
Respect it.
You know what I'm saying? They got some people out here. All right. They got Rogelli Snow is an Irish rapper.
Okay.
Signed to 300 Entertainment. Okay.
Oh, shit.
Irish and Jamaican.
Yo.
Also, there's a lot of like, because of like Jamaica and slave trades and the Panama Canal and some other shit. You have like
Jamaicans in the UK.
England, then they went to Ireland and shit. So.
Okay.
I have family out there. One day I'll do an Ancestry.com thing, but I don't want the government stealing my DNA. So
nah.
we'll figure out
you get out there and they're all gingers. You're like, yo, how did this happen?
Wow, Ginger Jesus. Whoa. He's like drinking a Bex too. I'm like, whoa.
Yo, Ginger Jesus, this is crazy.
Whoa. I'm like touching his like, whoa.
Oh, he's like, blimey, bloody hell.
He's like, gotta hear, but I'm like, sides?
Whoa! Both their heads explode like.
Whoa! This summer coming to the movies is Black Jesus and Ginger Jesus. Jesus ex machina.
Nigga chopped your head over the sword. There can only be one.
Mero comes in. He's like, you see both of us, and you're just like, I'm too high for this. And
I'm
you turn around and
I'm
leave,
like, oh, no,
and
I'm
it's
out
like,
of here.
July 30th.
I was like, God damn, white Jesus, nah, bro. White Jesus poison.
You just keep. The funny part of the movie is you keep getting us confused, and we're just like. You're just like, yo, I can't tell which Jesus you are. I'm like, he's the one.
He's the one with the
he's
red
ginger
hair.
with
He's the white guy with the red hair. He looks like Ed Sheeran, but except me.
You work with this all the time.
Ginger Jesus?
Out of South by?
Did we have Ginger Jesus outside?
South by? I don't know.
That picture you released before it went
Oh,
the fake white Jesus.
Fake white Jesus. That was in Baltimore though. Shout to Noisy.
Yeah, that was when you met that kid at Amsterdam and shit. You was smoking heroin.
Yeah, he was like
season 5 of The Wire.
Bro, this dude DM'd me and was like, "Yo, I got drugs," and I was just like, "I don't know drugs." I was like, "I don't know about this." But then I met him and he's like, "One of those drugs was weed." So I was like, "All right, cool. I'll meet up with you." And then it was just like, I just sort of shut up as an afterthought.
You gotta ask people though. You're gonna get caught though. You're gonna get caught.
Trafficking drugs?
Yeah.
Nah,
you're gonna get caught. No, you're gonna get. Someone's gonna give you a hot bag.
Well, hot bag?
Yeah, someone's gonna give you bad drugs.
A hot bag of weed?
Someone's gonna give you bad. Watch, you can't just be smoking for just anybody. Someone's gonna give you some weed on the road or some shit.
Yeah, she might have dust in it.
You're
I'll
gonna
be like, hey.
You're gonna be running up and down the aisles naked at the live show. Everyone's gonna think it's part of the act, and I'm like, that is not part of the act.
He needs some milk.
You can, I'm
on fire! I'm on fire!
It's like, Mero's so witty. He does it. I know he does the impressions. I didn't know he was doing like vocal. He was doing physical comedy
crazy.
too.
It's amazing.
He's a young Kevin James. You like gorge out your own eye and shit. I'm just standing there with the Becks on stage, like,
wow.
I'm just like, how much longer we gotta do?
Yo,
10 more minutes.
Keep the bottles away from him.
CB and everyone's in the back, just like, keep it going.
Keep it going. It's beautiful.
Do the AKAs. I'm like, my name's Jesus, nice AK Jesus. You're like, ah! My dick has a sensor in it. Black mirror, black mirror, black mirror. This nigga squeezes the fire extinguisher on himself, like, Everyone's like trying to follow you with the cameras, but they're like
scared.
You're doing the mad erratic shit. The fact you're trying to throw a blanket on you.
It's literally an episode of Black Mirror. Like niggas are chasing me. I'm like, what are you chasing me for? Why are you recording me? Why are you doing this?
No, that's a good episode. Don't ruin it for me.
Yeah, no, I'm not gonna ruin it for you. I'm not even gonna tell you which one it is, but you're gonna get to it and you're gonna be like,
you already know which episode that is. And at the end, you're just like, I don't know how I feel. That's every Black Mirror episode. At the end, you're like, I don't know how I feel.
I don't know about
Was I supposed to root for him? Was I supposed to root for them?
I feel like some of them are cliffhangers too, and it's like, what do you like? Okay,
they're not cliffhangers, but I mean, if we're gonna get hot and we want to open our eyes and get Hotep Jesus in the building, can we talk about how Black Mirror constantly exploits the pain of black people for the white gaze?
Oh shit!
I'm dead ass. Think about every episode, and they brought it back home in Black Museum, like yo, blah blah blah. But they have a lot of episodes where it's just like white people gawking at black people in fucked up situations.
Oh yeah, like the homie with the glass thing.
Yeah. Think about it. Maybe it's called Black Mirror because you're putting blacks inside a glass, and the mirror is white people's faces reflecting back as they stare at the black people. Wow, I'm too woke. I've leveled up. I'm almost at 9,000.
I'm over 9,000. Oh no!
I'm too woke. I'm sentient with every eye. I feel everything.
My chakras.
That's the problem. If you become too woke, you become in touch. You become at one with everything.
Oh shit!
So you feel everyone's pain, everyone's love. At the same time, you overload your sensors.
Nah, I can't.
And then you just upload your consciousness to the cloud.
Damn, is that what happened to Robin Williams?
Wow. How would you even see? That was so terrible because it was unnecessary.
It was.
That's the thing. Like maybe Robin Williams' family was listening to this and they were having a good time. Now you just can't do it. Like
I mean, I feel like they're doing all right.
Yeah.
That nigga had the $80 bajillion life insurance policy.
But to have a lot of money does not mean you're doing all right. Because think about it. Like you got some cash, but if you were to die, your kids be sad. They wouldn't be like, well, my nigga made some money before he passed. Cash out the hell.
He left me a mill.
That's cool.
Nah, they'd probably be devastated. They'd be like, damn, our mom is like not as cool as dad. Like,
I mean, they'd be devastated too. Until Heather replaces you with a Roomba. She's like, he loved Black Mirror. That's what he wanted. Kids come home showing the Roomba there. Look, I drew us.
She's like,
I love you, Dad. It's just like fucking cleaning crumbs off them.
You clean us way better than Daddy used to. Daddy used to just throw us in the tub with all the clothes on.
Fast forward to 40 years in the future where Heather dies and Roomba's doing the usually. She's like,
thank you everybody for coming.
the front row is just like 5 other Roombas. Like,
Those are the in-laws.
They're like, are you here? Or which side of the family are you on? They're like, oh yeah,
Oh yeah, come on.
sorry.
Sorry.
There's one Roomba, but it has like 2 federal agents behind it. It's in shackles. It's the cousin Roomba visiting from jail.
You know what I'm saying? It's the Roomba that does the mopping and shit. Like,
They're like,
yo,
oh look, it's bad Roomba.
it's bad Roomba.
He's like, yo, there's a fire ass funeral. Sorry about shooting that nigga. If you never had a nigga in shackles at a funeral, you're not about that
real.
life.
Not
You're not
real.
about that life.
Because I never had to ask for fucking.
Your auntie gotta come
visitation
over and
time.
ask the agent. It's like, would y'all like a plate? They're like, oh, we're not allowed to eat. We're on the job, but thank
We're
you.
on the job, thank
Yeah,
you.
Thank you.
I got my Oakleys on chill. I can't do anything.
And they joking with your cousins as prisoner because they've been just did a 6-hour drive down from Ulster County or some
Niggas
shit.
connected on the way
Yeah,
down.
they got in jokes and shit. They're like, nachos.
Hey, they got a chocolate fountain.
I remember
Get it.
Oh, my
Yeah,
Olenbrook.
yeah.
Officer Johnson, you're hilarious. Because you lighten these shackles, I can't really feel my fingers.
Yeah, sorry. My hands are purple.
They're like, we're going to have a moment of silence. Just hear Mad Shackles like, it's like, sorry. Woo!
Goddamn. Yo, Drake got new music out that I knew. Everybody's been bumping it.
He's like, but he hopped on someone's song. So it's not his
new
song.
music?
It's not music.
I mean, but he's been doing that for a while.
I'm saying, but you know what I'm saying? And that's a new thing. Everyone's doing the Project Pat flow, and he
Project Peta.
yeah, you know what I'm saying? He's out here.
North. I love Project Pat, bro. Can you drop another album, Pat?
It's Black Boy's song. Shout out to Black Boy.
Black Boy.
Yeah.
Shout out to NBA Young Boy.
You know what I'm saying?
Just because his name is NBA Young Boy.
That
I've
doesn't
not
sound
heard
like
any
that.
of his
Doesn't,
songs.
that sounds like in the future the NBA will be sending him a cease and desist. Young boy. But you know,
Yo! Shout out to all the SoundCloud rappers, B. Shout out to Lil Pump.
just the constant praise for Lil Pump.
Yeah.
Why?
I don't know.
Why?
There's something that I connect with him on a visceral level.
Because you're old enough to be his father.
That may be it.
It's
but
a
it also
warning
may
to
be
you. It's like, yo, get your kids' shit together.
Get your kids shit together, send them to private school.
Yeah.
Keep him away from the Zans. But Lil Pump, shout out to him, he said he's off the Zans.
Is he off the Zan? Is he on something else?
He's like, yo, he's still playing lean pong, but he's off the Zans. So shout out to him. You know what I'm saying? Like, one step at a time.
Okay.
One day at a time, one day at a time.
Is that how you? Is that?
Nah, one day at a time. What song was that? What
I
theme song
think
is
that was a show called
One Day at a Time?
A wash show called One Day at a Time. Wow.
Run it back.
Wow.
Bring it back. Damn.
You know
Watch
how
the
long?
fam.
You want to know how long they rebooted that in 2017?
Really?
Yes, the original was in 1984. Fam.
Wow.
It was about a divorced mother raising 2 teenage daughters in Indianapolis. Wow, because you know, like back in the 80s, all sitcoms took place in the middle of bubble fuck for no reason. The daughters were played by Mackenzie Phillips and one Valerie Bertinelli,
Wow, that's what I remember.
who go on to have her own show called Valerie.
Valerie.
And then she died.
Shout out to Valerie. She died? I think she was doing Weight Watchers commercials now.
No, did she die?
This nigga just killed Valerie Bertinelli.
Killed her. Nah, still alive. Okay.
Yo.
Damn, I was sure she died.
Yo, for the
Damn.
longest time. Doesn't she look kind of Puerto Ricanish?
A little bit.
For the longest time when that show, because that show was in syndication. I caught it like in the 90s, but like, I was like, damn. My little, like, my young cock was like, you know what I'm saying?
Wow.
Ready.
Wow.
You know what I'm saying? It was ready for
Wow.
Valerie.
Okay.
I was a little youngin'. Yeah, I didn't understand what the stirring of my trousers was about, but I knew I had to shine. I took a shine
you
to
know
it.
how I got confused because there was a show called Valerie, and it starred Valerie Harper.
Oh, okay.
Yes. The problem was there was some sort of negotiation dispute or whatever, and they was like, yo, like she was like, yo, you're gonna. She came. Her agent came and was like, yo, if you got it, you got it.
If you don't, you don't.
You don't. The problem is, CBS was like, we don't need you. You're not the most popular character on this.
Kick rocks.
They kicked her off the show and renamed the shit the Hogan Family.
Wow. Damn, Valerie.
And the thing is, Valerie went from 86 to 87. And then they did Valerie's Family, which was like in between shit. And no, that was after Hogan Family.
Damn.
Yeah, that was messy.
That
Oh, it was on
dirty.
NBC. Wow.
NBC
Yeah,
is
listen, TV is a fickle. It's a fickle beast.
Yeah.
It's fickle
very,
maiden.
very fickle mistress.
One
yeah.
minute you on top, next minute they're like, yo, you've been canceled.
Yo, you can't get the fuck out of here,
Yes,
bitch.
get out of here, piece of garbage.
You piece of trash.
Think about that. Think about because you can't get canceled from your job.
Nah.
Like you never go. Well, I guess that's getting fired.
I mean, you could get fired.
That's
yeah.
different though, because you get fired from your job, you could go somewhere else and be like, "Yo, I need a job."
There you
You
go.
get fired from TVP, like, "Why you got fired from
Why
TV,
from TV?
nigga? Don't you have a show?
Are you a drug addict? What's up with you?
What's the matter with you? You touching
Huh?
kids?
Yeah? You hanging out with Lil Pump? What are you doing?
Ew.
You know what I'm saying? Yeah, nah, man. Fucking, you know what? But we're good. We got multiple streams of income. You know what I'm saying? Which is the smart thing to do if you work in media. Don't put all your eggs in the basket.
I invested all my money in Bitcoins and in Ks. So, listen, I got these bricks on deck. When they're gonna be like the biggest drug deal in the Bronx, I'll be like, gang, walking out and be doing promo. I'll be like, Jesus, yo, we got the book coming out of Random House.
You know what I'm saying? How your boys saying?
We're changing our book. It's not gonna be life advice. It's just gonna be crack recipes. That's it. Just artisanal crack recipes for Thanksgiving, crack recipes for Christmas.
Yo.
You ever had a crack with a butter base?
Oh.
You know what I'm saying?
A little
creme
butter
brulee.
base, you know what I'm saying? Use the B12 instead of the soda. You know what I'm saying?
Take the burner and you just like gently burn the edge.
Oh,
like a nice little crust.
Yes. Make crack like this.
A artisanal crack.
Just creme brulee the shit.
Yeah.
Get ghetto dope.
Also, we're look out for the Bodega Boys pop-up shop called Commissary in Williamsburg this summer. We're going to open a restaurant. All the ingredients, all the food plates are made from ingredients that you get in jail.
You know what I mean? Honey buns, onion soups.
Jack Mac.
You know what I mean?
Every now and then.
Tuna in a pouch.
Every hour, just to entertain y'all, someone gets beaten to death.
Yeah.
At the table.
Yeah.
We just rush in and beat a nigga to death with like fucking cans in a sock. Everyone's like,
all the waiters are turtles.
Yeah.
They come through and just beat your ass with a nightstick.
You never know what's happening.
They take your order.
You never know what happened. Like you just hear from the other thing, like I'm not paying that. Tell the chef I'm not cuffing up. You like,
Fuck that.
It's happening. Get your
shit.
phones out. Get your phones out.
Oh no, it's Casanova. He's here.
We're like, hey, everybody, just stay a safe difference. Just take your phones out. You just enjoy yourself. Just enjoy commissary.
Speaking of,
and if it's your birthday, we set you up. Like if it's your birthday, you like, oh, get enough to go to the bathroom, and we just have a nigga run up and shank you or willy nilly. And the person's like, they look down, it's mad glitter, and we're like, happy birthday, happy birthday. You got shanked. It's birthday for you today. Happy birthday.
Hey. Like the cupcake. Niggas do the black version of shit. Happy birthday, shank ya.
Happy birthday, shank ya. I just stabbed you. Happy birthday. Just give him one final shake.
Go hold that.
How old are you now? 1, 2. Just stabbing the nigga.
He's like, chill, I'm 28, nigga, stop.
26, 27. The fucking blade breaks.
You're like, chill, you're not gonna remove that? Fucking short order comes out with a back with the fryer tongs. Like, I got you.
Commissary. Niggas lined up down the block to eat that shit. Judd Apatow is like, yo,
I like it. I've been here a couple times. Like I got the shit bag. Like, yo. Last time I got stabbed in my pancreas.
I have the colostomy special. Ooh, what is that? Oh, it's like that's the take home, the doggy bag. The doggy bag is just the bag of your possessions when you leave jail. It's that big cardboard shit. Oh, and you're not allowed to use any of your own money. You have to have niggas for outside wire you money so you can pay your bill.
Yep.
Woo!
You
Get the full experience.
Nah, nigga, we can't take this.
Niggas show up and shit. I'm like, all right, go change over there.
You know what I mean?
Bend over, pull back the skin on your dick.
Let's go.
Let me see your butthole.
Spread your cheeks, cough.
Everyone's like, this is such a real experience.
Oh my God, it's amazing.
Oh my God.
Are you gonna wipe my butt with a baby wipe?
I'm not gonna wipe your butt with a baby. You know what?
Fuck out of here.
You know what? Go to table 6.
You go to table 6 and it's like the crib table, you're blood.
You're
like, oh shit, why you do this to me?
You gotta fucking brush the chest hair before you take your order and shit.
Yeah.
Nigga trying to go to the bathroom. It's like, oh, trying to go to the bathroom. Which one's male or female? It's like, oh, that's the male bathroom, but you going to the female bathroom.
Nah, me.
He'd be like, nah,
Peace sitting down, nigga.
I think there's been a misunderstanding.
Nah.
I just have to go.
Nah, get the fuck out. Go in the female. You know what it is, but B. As a matter of fact, while you in there, take this Kool-Aid, put it on your lips.
But my son's here.
Nah. He's next. Got that nigga in a burlap sack. I made it to a skirt.
Damn.
I made shit into a bodycon dress, nigga.
Damn,
that's what he's wearing in the yard.
Tom Brady never coming back. Oh, man. Damn, this episode.
Tom Brady's 40. Just want to put that up.
Oh, yes. Oh. Breaking news. Because we are the Bodega Boys. We're also the Benevolent Boys.
Right.
And we are the greatest thing to ever come from the Bronx.
You
ever.
are absolutely right.
I say it with my face.
That's right. And we have done something miraculous and huge for y'all. We have bought out not 1, but 2 showings of Black Panther for the youth them.
For the youth them. In the Bronx.
Saying?
Every time there's a showing of the Black Panther, it's like some place you can't go to. Like Huntington Beach.
No.
There's in the Bronx. We have one in New Rock City.
You know what I'm saying?
You know what I'm saying? New Rock City. I said New Rock City. I did not call it New Glock City, which means leave the gun at home.
Let's leave it at home, please. No trouble.
Also, the illustrious Jewel of the Bronx, home of BBQs,
man.
Red Lobster, and I believe Carpet Store.
The Carpet Store.
Bay
as well.
Plaza.
Oh shit.
That's right.
Know what I mean?
We got the Black Panther screenings on deck for the kids.
You know what I mean?
Or the kids at heart. Or people who are just really short and get away with shit.
Can't get away with shit. It's
So
not
be
a
sure
joke.
to follow Bodega Boys, the Twitter account, for more information
That's right.
on how you can go. You tweet at us. Be like, I want to go to Black Panther.
And we'll take that into account.
Okay, tell us what food you're going to sneak in there.
Victor will be judging y'all.
Yes.
Based on
Victor.
your responses.
Yes.
You
You
know
don't
what
want
I'm
to get
saying?
on the wrong side of Victor.
But big on Bay Plaza, you know what I'm saying? Go to Raymore Flanagan, look at the love seat, and then go hit the movie theater.
That's
Let's go.
right. And remember who gave it to you.
The Benevolent Boys.
Benevolent Boys.
You're welcome.
Live, niggas. That's
and
it.
Square Cash.
Ding, 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 ding. Square Cash.
Yo, Square
Also, shout out to
Cash.
Square Cash. You can buy Bitcoin via Square Cash.
You can.
Get the update. It's very easy to do. You can buy yourself a bit of Bitcoin.
A bit of
Bitcoin. Ooh.
A little bit.
A little bit. Just a little bit. Ooh, just a wiggle it. Just a little bit. Make it move. It's been episode 99.
Yo.
Judgment Day, Aaron fucking Judge. All right,
That's
yeah.
right, pals.
It's your boy, Jesus Nice, a.k.a. Jesus Vice, a.k.a. Young Chipotle, a.k.a. Pockets Fat Like Cereal, a.k.a. Chris Asper, Sling Dick, Eli Lippy, Butcher Blue Gully, somebody that might know you, but Young Day Party, Young Hot Take, DJ Fuego, Mr. Nanas with around the Mio Never Said Vete, Quattro Mikhail going off the Juve Boss, MC Local Google P, put up for 40, which is Shorty, a.k.a. Don't Talk to Me in the Uber Pool. I
don't know you.
I don't know you. I don't
Man,
know.
we're not
Just because
familiar.
we are both in a vehicle going in the same direction does not
we're
mean
not
we have to
friends.
foster a fake relationship.
No, dude.
Listen, you have to know about the different types of relationships. There's A relationships and B relationships.
Come on.
There's actual close relationships and there's transactional relationships.
right.
This is a transactional relationship, a.k.a. Don't Talk to Me in the Uber Pool.
Chill.
I don't know you.
I don't know you, nigga, at all.
Jesus Rossi, the Jamaican Jew. Jermaine Avocado Toast, Young Pod, the Ghost of Mufasa. Young Chakuli without the coonery, a.k.a. Chili Lamont, left-handed reliever for the Yankees.
Yes.
Okay, I'm going to get a 28th ring. You know what it is.
Aha.
Hey, aha.
Papi, estamos lindo.
Aaron Judge, you know he has the big bat.
Yeah, he does.
But he Christian, so he don't use the big bat, if you know what I'm saying.
Oh.
Hey, Vice Gary Makazaka, 3 Phone Joes, Jesus X Machina, Jay Chuckle, Stanley Cup, Human Dr. Bonner's like, well, dilute. One more time. Dilute. Didn't out of the champion, Mr. 240 because I got my peanut butter. DJ Woolite, aka you're listening to Watch FM. Up next, we have 5 hours of red wine. Yes, right. We got UB40. Yeah. Stay close to me now. The Curry Goat, Jesus Spicer, Jamal Hasper, and the Bronx Celine Dion. Ray and Nephew's nephew, the Moreno, you can't contain the human meme word, the Ja Young, Aaron, the racing provocateur, Henrik Budkos, Nelson Bangdella, Sergio Can't See Me, Vladimir Booth, and the human word is melting in your mouth. Mr. Bex on Decatus, Ricky Tiki, Squad. Great. Put apart, just warm, like a little musky. Like, damn, you've been wearing these tight panties all day at your job. You smell like the copy machine.
Yeah, I love it.
Nasty. Don't even shower.
Yeah, don't shower, ma. I want to smell that.
It smells like combos. More say Mahatma Gandhi, not Backaby, but I got that cool combo.
Yeah.
The juice of the press, but your boy never is. Never is. Never gonna catch me for sale for $9 in a Williamsburg bodega.
Oh,
No
never.
activated charcoal with me. I am the art, damn it. The Dundada Ganoush. No more cup of noodles. The Prince of Peckham. The Fashion Nova, Casanova. William H. cent, 5 cent, 10 cent, dollar. If I get the small change, get it. Big money wine.
That's right.
Shout out to everyone out there at Carnival, you know what I'm saying? Trini. The only anthem I salute is Dipset.
That's right.
Mr. Sacker, catch me at Square One. Top left man's is chillin'.
Yo.
Trill Rizzuto, holy cow, catch me at the money store. Mr. Soft Pawn School, all I do is count checks and jerk off. We got OJ, Purple Stuff, Soda, and close the door. Why you got the damn door open? You let out electricity. Sorry, Dad. Sorry. Oh, look, it's me, Sonny D. David Europe, man. These expensive. These is red bottle. These is bloody shoes. Smokeem, no. Why? I'm still in the NBA. How?
How is
Mr.
it
Shopping at
possible?
3Ds with the bad beats like I'm easy. Please believe me, the black 80 addict could crack your back like an automatic craftmatic. Mr. La Marina, Mesh Marina with a fresh misdemeanor and a cold demeanor, aka your problematic bay. Literally, if you put 4 car batteries in the back of your Toyota Camry, it is a Tesla.
Oh, shit, we lit. That's a very innovative idea.
That does not make any sense, and the weight of the heavy batteries is going to make them.
Destroy your car.
Yeah, but you know.
But hey, you know what I'm saying?
At least you got your girls at work. Like at least he be thinking.
He be thinking.
He thinks outside the box,
He's
and he be
not
thinking
smart.
inside the
That
box.
nigga's OD smart. Like, he put his 4 batteries in the back. That's mad smart. Okay? Stupid. And y'all niggas is mad dumb. Don't make fun of my scrubs. It's your boy, the Mero, a.k.a. the Human Durag Flap, a.k.a. Curve Gotti, a.k.a. Triz Khalifa! You know what I'm saying? A.k.a. Skirt Loader, I Jump the Curb, a.k.a. I know fucking baby, I fucking man, a.k.a. Check the guest list again, nigga. I'm on it right there, right next to Kim Jong-un, nigga, Pyong Gang Gang. You know what I'm saying? I fucking buy my kids snowboarding equipment just in case, even though I'm probably never gonna go snowboarding, because I'm the fucking dad of the year, a.k.a. Bitch Smack Biombo, a.k.a. the Dominican Dandada. You know what I'm saying? A.k.a. Dick in your baby Matumbo. You know, come on this pussy no more, this pussy belong to me. A.k.a. Barlow Santana, so smooth. I'ma black out and crash the whip. A.k.a. Light Now Dutchie. Hello. Is it weed you're looking for? Please don't come around, you fool. with a double K2. Because we ain't smoking that shit, nigga. That shit is synthetic. AKA Tom Brady or girl, I got my balls type deflated and I took L in the Super Bowl, but it doesn't matter because I still got love for my children. I put my tongue in their mouth. AKA Phil the Ass Tyson. I want to explore your cosmos, ma. You know what I'm saying? AKA Frano Messi, MVP of Gelato. You got to pay $50 million just to speak to my team, nigga. You know what I'm saying? AKA Zaniel Bedingfield. Now you got to get some sticks. Now you got to get some sticks. AKA Joe Hookah. I dare you to smoke with me at Mama Sushi. Also, Agua Roja, you know what I'm saying? We got the refills as cash only. AKA Ben Boston. With the precision of a Swiss wristwatch, I will replace your brain with an iPad Pro. Now you can draw from experience. Get it? I'm a master of puns. Candy, bust it wide open. Beat King, drop a beat. AKA, I'll open your medicine cabinet, nigga. You know who it is, boy. It's the Zen Man. It's AKA Rico Sabroso, AKA Baby Newport 2 for 5. Niggas got garbage down the way. AKA Nuno Brown, shut the Carter down. AKA East Tremont Stevie B. I wanna be the one your DD is sucking. AKA from across the pond, mate. You know who it is, man. The most explosive entertainer in the history of entertainment. It's the plantain supernova in the sky. One day you will find me smoking weed on Tremont, asking them to make me ordering off the menu at McDonald's because I'm too high. You know what I'm saying? Put them for 40. Give me my motherfucking touches, boy. And I'm wearing a top hat on the court because I don't care. It's Barmelo's Anthony. Bang! Fam, if you see me at Target, man, and I'm just like looking at the school supplies, even though it's fucking December, respect my agency, my nigga. You know what I'm saying? Approach me like an Ursine mammal.
John, he's stealing.
No, hey, mind your fucking neck. Mind your fucking neck. Mind your fucking neck, Mildred.
Get loss prevention.
Nah, stop.
He put a trapper keeper in his foreskin.
So what? It fit. You know what I'm saying? I sold fake lean to your favorite SoundCloud rapper, man. He's high as fuck off Grandma's molasses and some other cleaning product that I found under my sink, nigga. He's wasted. He's talking about, and then he died early, sorry. Hasan, tírame la pita. ¿Qué fue? Llegó el hijo de FIFA, coño. Más caliente que Corea del Norte. Más frío que el toto de un cuero en Alaska. Oye, ¿qué es lo que? Esta es la verdadera grasa. Así que llégale, no te queda atrás. Capea tu ticket, mamá huevo. Si no quieres que te explote con este peine de 30. Tiger Gang con un pote de 30. You know what I'm saying? Maybe at Argentina. You know what I'm saying? Smell like fish. Because we about to be at the hookah lounge right after. With the choppies.
With the choppies. He don't mean the choppers, but we got the chopper on there.
Yeah.
So run up and get done up, you know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
Nah, not really.
But pretty soon we got security that has choppers, so get ready.
What do you mean it's pretty few? Nigga, I got what do you call it? The sentry guns? Call of Duty? Come through my back door real hot, my nigga.
Yeah, boy.
Also, I have what is the radiation thing? The Guardians. The Guardians? I got Guardians all over my property. Die that quick radiation jet if you want. Run up and down. When you see the air being a little hazy, you know you don't should run in that direction.
Know what I mean?
Have your character like,
Go ahead. Step foot in my garage,
That's
nigga.
right.
Trip over them claymores.
That a whole real life gotta respawn, my nigga. Episode 99, we out.
Holla.